Then they have, sometimes dinner appointment lah, all kinds of things lah. Sometimes they may forget, right? Unless those are, hardcore, Zakey champion prop trading, they know that every Tuesday will be their time to learn, right? Okay. Yes, I'm seeing everyone saying hello, welcome. Okay, good, right? All right, good, okay. What do you want to learn today? I have a number of things, but I think today we're going to do a lot of Q&A. I will leave it to you, Q&A. Okay. Then the earlier part, I'm going to explain about, not for you all, for the new ones, right? They misunderstood what is prop trading. Yeah. Many people misunderstood, guys. I'm not too sure why. Yeah. I think many of you also know that many people do not understand or do not see. Yeah, right. They do not see because they don't understand. Yeah. Okay. Right. Okay, so no problem. Today I'm going to make them understand, right? Yeah, what they don't understand. A bit weird, a bit weird of understanding, but it's okay. I think many people are very new to this. Okay. Okay, so let's start, guys. Let's start. Risk disclosure. Investment on margin carries a high level of risk and may not be suitable for all investors. The high degree of leverage can work against you as well as for you. And before deciding to invest, you should carefully consider your investment objectives. And please seek your own financial advisor to know whether are you suitable to trade or invest in Forex related. And whatever information that I disseminate today, even the past, present, and the future, act as a general reference and do not constitute as investment advice. So if you're okay with this risk disclosure, you may stay on till the end of this session, right? So guys, welcome back to Zakey Champion Prop Trading. My name is DatoZakey, right? I'm here on every Tuesday for the purpose of learning, education, right? In terms of Forex trading related, right? So mainly we learn how to translate data and charting activities, right? Yeah, that's what we learn. And of course, you can start with a paper trade or even a demo account start with, right? From there on, you can pursue or continue to trade on a live account with your financial advisor advice. Is that okay, right? Yeah, we don't recommend you, right? We don't force you, right? No one is forcing you to go for live trading. No one, guys. It's since day one, right? And only your own financial advisor would know your financial status, and no one else would know. Not even your neighbor, not even your sifu, probably not even your friends, not even your parent, Only your financial advisor will know whether are you suitable to continue to trade on a live account. Okay? So for demo account trading, no problem. You can do it, it's just like learning subject, activities. It's just like playing games. It's just like adding a new skill set for you. Okay? And from there, you will decide whether to go live or not. So, not to worry. You can just come in and learn first. You can learn first. Learn first with a demo account, with a paper trade, meaning it's not a real money. So, the broker can give you a example, a $100 account, even a $200 account. Even some of you can request, for a 50,000 account. or 1 million account, up to you. And that is all paper trade, okay? Yeah, not real money, right? Then if you blow up the account, meaning you wipe out or the account goes to zero, you can request some more from your own broker, and your broker will top up for you the demo account, right? So you can, some of them even forever also demo account, for whatever reason. I've even seen some people, demo account for quite some time. I'm not too sure why, but probably they like to learn. They like to learn. It's like hobby. It's like hobby, games is hobby, right? Some people play games for money, for competition. Some people play games just for passing time, right? So trading could be for some of them for passing time. So that's the reason why, or probably one of the reason they continue to do demo trades forever. I'm not too sure why they're doing that, but that is their rights, and that's what they want to do. They are happy with it. Okay, yeah. So just a reminder that no one is forcing you. Okay, right, to go live trading. Okay, so a little bit of an announcement, right? Wherever you are, country that you reside in, right? So please follow your country or authority regulation. Would that be okay? Right? So we can't be, I can't be telling you, which country you come from, because in the US, right, and Australian, right, they can't use other brokers. Yeah, they only can use broker that registered in their own country. Okay, so we know for the longest time, US has been that way. Australian also have been that way, right? You and me know, and many of the brokers, right, cannot accept, so-called terrorist country. Okay, yeah, there are a lot of country that name as terrorists, right? So, no, not acceptable. Okay, and most brokers or even all brokers, those reside in those countries, right? They can't register or open any broker account. Okay, so wherever you are, you come from parts of the world, please follow your own country regulation, right? And recently, right, Malaysia have announced since 1st of November, right, by SEC that, as a Malaysian, you can't be, using other brokers or other online brokers. You have to use a broker that only resides or registered in Malaysia. So that's the latest news that I got, right? I mean, few months back we know it already, but it is official since 1st of November. Official already. Okay, that means as a Malaysian, you need to abide. You need to follow, be a good citizen, follow your country regulation, right? Yeah, don't go against your country, don't break the law. That's what I'm trying to say. Okay, so if you are interested in opening a broker, any online broker, that's your own discretion, right? You may contact, whoever it is, the broker themselves or whatsoever, right? Or else you better use, right, strictly, I believe, is your own country, registered broker. Would that be okay? Would that be okay, guys? So I believe this could be one of the important things that, that you should know, or you and me should know, or everyone else should know, right? Yeah. Okay. Let me see what I have. Yeah. Okay. Right. So next one is, right, what is really prop trading? Right. Prop trading. So the name or the term called prop trading itself, proprietary trading. Many do not understand. They thought like prop trading is like a strategy. You know that some people thought that prop trading is a strategy name. What? And some people thought that the name prop trading is an academy. It's an academy called prop trading. You know, it's like ABC Academy, DEF Academy, Marvel Academy, right? Marvel trading, like that. Marvel trading, ABC trading. So they thought prop trading is a name term called like Forex Academy or Learning Academy. They didn't know that prop trading is actually a term being used by many out there. Okay, it's not a company, it's a term. Okay, it's a general term. So whenever I, talk about prop trading, or whenever these people out there, right, when you talk about prop trading, have you heard of prop trading? Yeah, I heard before. So their meaning of they heard before, you know what? Is actually they thought is a Forex Academy called prop trading. Yeah. Okay. Dato, my nephew is interested to do trading, but his age is below 18. Not possible. Okay, not possible. They can join as a demo trade. Demo trade, no problem. With parents, guardians. Okay, can assisted. No problem. Still, but cannot open a live account or whatsoever. Okay, yeah. So prop trading, they thought is like an academy. Right? Have you heard of prop trading? Yeah. I heard before. Actually, what they heard, what they know. Actually, they don't know what they don't know. And you also don't know what they don't know. I mean, you yourself, we ourselves don't know. It also means that I myself don't know what they don't know. So whenever I say that you heard of prop trading, yeah, I heard before. Then I was like, oh, okay, if you heard before, then it's good. Then actually they don't know what is prop trading. They thought prop trading is just called Forex trading. Guys, there are these people that they really misunderstood, and they make us also misunderstood them. We thought that they really know what is prop. I'm telling you guys, prop trading can still be considered new. Okay, I'm telling you, prop trading can be still considered new. If you talk properly, right, if you explain properly about prop trading, I believe, right, not many people know. Not many, guys, not many. Do you encounter that? No? Do you encounter that not many people really understand what is called prop trading? Proprietary trading platform. Prop trading. They do not understand, guys. So if they do not understand, so it's our duty, it's our role, right, to make them understand. To explain to them what is prop trading. Right? Yeah. So maybe you should not mention about prop trading. Maybe don't use the word prop, guys. Right? Yeah. Maybe call it a different name. Right? Call it a different name, like funded trading account. Something like that, more direct, right? Funded trading account. Prop trading, they don't understand, guys. Many people do not understand. I'm telling you that probably if I meet 100 people, 100 people do not understand. Yeah, I already met 100 people, guys. I already met 100 people. And I'm telling you, all the 100 do not understand. In fact, it's all, I try to remember back. This person, does they understand this? This person, does he really understand it? This person, does he really understand? Actually, many people do not understand what is prop trading. If I have to explain for such a long time, right, then that means the person do not understand. And from the person question also, we know that the person do not understand in the end. So in the end, I think many people do not understand, right? If they understood what is really prop trading, they should be very excited. They should be very excited meeting someone that provides a funded account. Right? They should be very excited. They should not misunderstood. Yeah, they should be feeling very excited, right? Overwhelmed by what you offer, or what you're telling them, right? Yeah. So if they are not excited, their expression is like very square expression, From there, you can know that, hey, this person actually do not understand, right? Yeah, you can just go to anyone, right? Hey, you know what is prop trading? Yeah, I know what is prop trading. Then you see that their face not excited, right? Then you know that actually they don't know, right? Yeah, they don't know.
Recording stopped.
Yeah.
Recording in progress.
Oh, wow. What happened? Okay. Yeah. Okay, someone misclick, no problem, right? Okay. So, yeah, so they do not understand what is prop trading, guys. Okay, from here, you have to observe their facial expression. You have to observe. Is that okay? Observe their facial expression, right? And explain to them. So probably don't use the word prop trading. Use funded account. Use funded account, right? Right. When you introduce funded account, also I think there's a way to say it, right? Because everyone got ego, right? Yeah. I mean, your friends or my friends, my contact or my client, right? Anyone got their own ego, lah. They feel that when it comes to trading, right? People always want to think that they are better than others. Many people are like that. You agree? You agree? When we talk to a trader, right? They always think that they want to project that they are better than you, right? As if like you are new, lah. You are new. I'm already many years in trading. I have better strategy. Yeah. I have better techniques. Yeah. My techniques is superb. Yeah. My seafood is better. My academy is better, right? Yeah. I mean, many people, thinks that way, which is okay, right? So the way that we approach, we should be very, not to say very subtle, but very tactful, very tactful. That means we have to acknowledge, right, that they feel that they are better. When we speak to a trader, right, we should know in the first place that they always think that they are better than us. Yeah. So far, have I met a person that they are very low profile trader? Let me think. Have I ever met, in terms of so many traders, have I ever met, right, a trader who is like act stupid? None, guys. I think I'm the only one who acts stupid. I think I'm the only one, when I meet anyone, I act stupid. I believe I'm the only one. Yeah. The rest, they never act stupid. They ego, right? Yeah, their arm is big, their kepak is big, they feel they are better. Yeah, something like that. For me, I don't care. For me, I very low key, low profile. I really, really act stupid. Right? Until they do some research, or they heard about me, then they regret. Yeah, right? They say, hey, when this person talk to me, it doesn't seem he is this way. It doesn't look that he is this way or this profile. But after searching or hearing, right, from someone, right, then I know, then I understand that who is he. That means, I managed to act stupid. Yeah. I mean, I've ever told you before, right? When someone asks me in the first place, what do you do? Right? What I say? Unemployed. Yeah, I'm unemployed. In fact, I further on adding, not only unemployed. It's true that I'm unemployed, okay? Yeah. But I didn't say I'm self-employed, okay? No, I say I'm unemployed, and I add in more fire to that stupidity. Okay, I say that, hey, I'm actually finding a job. Do you have a job for me? Yeah. Okay. So that's who I am, right? But many of them out there, they are not like that. They are not like that. You know, they are like, what do you do? Oh, I'm a trader. I I full time. That was my past. That was my past. Not my past as a trader. That was my past as an IT engineer. Right? When someone asks me, what do you do? Oh, I'm an IT engineer. Right? Yeah. I work at this company, MNC, huge company. Right? Yeah, I take care of, my job role is very, very sensitive information, 5 million credit cards information in a server, Yeah, that's my past job, what? Okay? So sensitive information, right? In terms of e-commerce related, wow, that was my past, guys. That was my past, It's really stupid, no? It's really, I feel like it's really stupid to be proud of being an engineer. I should not have being that way, stupid, right? Yeah. What's so proud of being an engineer? Guys, what's so proud of being an IT engineer? Nothing to be proud of, lah. Nothing, lah, guys. Nothing, Yeah, stupid of me, Stupid of me to be so proud to be an IT engineer. Yeah, if someone asks me, I'm very proud to say that. It's really, really stupid. So whenever I see someone, when I ask someone, they act that way, then I will just smile in my heart. Because that's my past. That's my past, right? Yeah, I'm not proud. I'm not proud, to be in the workforce industry. Stupid. Stupid. I'm not proud to be in the workforce industry that forced us to work. As long you are in the workforce industry, yeah, that's for your income, for your family, for our family, yeah. But nothing to be proud of. It's just a working force, right? Right? You're working under someone. You are not the boss. It's nothing to be proud of. Yeah, right. You just it's just a daylight slavery. Like daylight slavery. In and out office. Yeah, punch card 8 to 5. That's it. Yeah, work hard, report to boss, get income, get bonus. Get raise, pay raise. After that, last get fired. Yeah. Yeah, nothing to be proud of, really. Okay, nothing. Okay, so after that, I along the way while I'm working, right, I met business people, a lot of business people, because I joined a few networking industry or right related to entrepreneurship, right. Then I met a lot of people who are doing their own business, right. Like they own a hotel, they own a business, they own many businesses. I get to meet them, I got to interview them. While I'm in the working industry, I don't meet these people, I don't get to interview these people, I don't get to talk with them. When I'm in the networking industry, then I met more people who are way, way, way off higher than my position as a workforce industry, right? They own hotels, they own resorts, they own they own supermarkets, they own 28 mini marts. 28, no. 28. Wow. I met that guy, I met that guy, right? Yeah, Indian Muslim in Singapore, right? Yeah. School, pass only primary 6. Primary 6 only, guys. Primary 6. Yeah. Primary 6 only. Name is AJ, AJ. AJ, yeah. AJ. Abdul Jabbar. Yeah, okay. Primary 6 only. I think primary 4, not primary 6. School education, primary 4 only. Primary 4, guys. Right? Indian Muslim, very down to earth. He wear like only, I believe that point, just jeans and t-shirt only, right? With simple shoes. Yeah. Smoking at one corner, right? Very relaxed. Yeah, talk to him. He's like, you see him, he's like, normal people are normal. I mean, everyone is normal, right? Normal means like general public, like normal job. Yeah. maybe just a driver, just a, you know, yeah, just a cleaner, something like that lah, right? Yeah. So I was introduced to him, right? So then I say, what do you do, sir? Then he said he owned 28 mini marts in Singapore, all over Singapore. I said, what? He said, what's the name of the mini mart? He said this name. So I won't mention the name. And what? Oh, that belongs to you? I said, yeah. Oh, okay. So I get to interview him for about half an hour. Half an hour, guys. Half an hour is a lot, it's a lot, right? While he was finish up his cigarette, right? Cigarette butt. So, yeah, only primary 4 education, right? Speak English also not so good, but own 28 mini marts, right? Yeah. Multi-millionaire, guys. Okay. So, what is engineering? What is engineering? I got a $5,000 pay job. $5,000 pay job. After CPF cut, you left how much only? Right? Then with all your expenses, nothing left. Really nothing left. At that point of time, I still owe bank about 90 over 1,000. Guys, if you remember my story, when I was an IT engineer, when I'm still an IT engineer, I still owe the bank 90 over $1,000. What's there to be proud of when you are working as an IT engineer, which you have a debt of about 90,000 over dollars with 5 banks? That's why I'm saying that nothing to be proud of, right? Right? Yeah. I mean, comparing to one of the fella who have 28 mini marts, own a business, and he don't only own 28 mini marts, he got a lot other businesses, including, forgot the name, right? With Singapore government, a few projects with Singapore government, right? That do piping and road projects. Also his business, piping, things to do with road, things to do with the LTA itself. Okay, and yeah, I remember he have a few other businesses also. That was huge, even bigger than his minimart. Yeah. Okay. Yeah. So I want you to know. Okay. Yeah. Right. We keep a low profile. Just be humble. It is better. Nothing to be proud of. Okay. Yeah. Someone asks you, what do you do? Yeah, I'm working just like you, or working just like general people. Yeah, nothing to be proud, right? So I'm just working like everybody else, right? And yeah, by the same time, I do part time, online trading. Yeah, could be what you are saying, right? Yeah. Yeah, you can also say probably, yeah, I'm doing my best, I'm doing the best that I can to live in this world. It's a kind of very humble thing, right? That what we should be projecting ourselves. Is that okay? Right? Yeah. I'm like everyone else, I'm doing my best to survive in this world, yeah, something like that. Okay. So hi to everyone, for those who have just come in, right? Yeah. Thank you for joining this webinar and saying hi to me, right? Okay. So back to this topic, right? So can we all, right, especially for you and me at Zakey Champion Prop Trading, try to be, how to say, what word should I say, guys, right? Humble is not the right word. Low key is also not the right word, right? Yeah. Subtle also not the right word, Yeah. Yeah. Don't be too proud of ourselves. Is that okay? Don't be too proud. Yeah. Yeah. Don't be too proud. Nothing to be proud of, right? Even if after you achieve your $1 million income, also nothing to be proud of, because you still got 10 millions more to go. After that, you got 100 millions more to go. After that, you got $1 billion more to go. Would that be okay? Yeah? Okay? Yeah. Okay, no problem. Okay? Yeah. Okay? So, can we do that, guys? Can we do that? right? Yeah. So for those of them who do not understand prop trading, right? Who do not understand prop trading, right? Right. I should say it's not very saddened. It's not very saddened. Nothing to be saddened about. But it is our duty, it's my duty, my role to explain to them what is prop trading. Right? So we should use the word, like I said just now, funded account. Yeah. Would that be okay? What do you think? What do you think? Right? Funded account. Have you heard of prop trading? Not have you heard of funded account? Right? Have you get involved lah? Oh yeah. Do you participate? Do you participate in funded account before? Yeah. Have you ever participated in a funded account before? Yeah. Yeah. Probably that should be the word to say lah when we meet someone, right? Right. Let's say I meet someone, then what would I say, right? Because I myself the provider of the prop trading, right? I myself sometimes use the word, have you heard of prop trading? Then they say, yeah. So actually it's wrong, right? So you should find a better term, to pitch, right? Yeah. Have you participated? Yeah. Right. A funded account. Yeah. I mean, if you speak to a forex trader, lah, right? Or else if you speak to a new party, right? New person, then it could be a little bit more complicated than that, right? A new person, then you have to tell them that, even if you tell them forex trading, right, then they may reject you. They may reject you, right? Hey, you ask your neighbor, right? You ask your neighbor, your friends at work, right? Hey, why not you learn forex trading? Then they will reject you, right? Yeah, because here we are not only doing forex trading, but we are on the next level, which is prop funding, right? So what should you say, right, on the prop funding, right? Yeah. Correct, I'm saying, right? Yeah. So it's two different things, right? Two different things, right? Prop trading and prop funding, yeah. Okay. Prop trading is proprietary trading platform whereby a lot of firms, banks also provide prop trading, prop trading style. That means their strategy is proprietary, right? Yeah. Prop funding is also, we have both proprietary trading plus also the funding itself, prop funding. But, if you tell your friends prop trading or prop funding, they won't understand. So you have to go to the next level of explaining to them, what is it? Because this is not forex trading, right? Yeah. Yeah. It's like internship, right? It's like internship. You get paid, $80,000 for doing simple tasks. Simple tasks, if you learn properly simple tasks, this simple task you got 80,000, US dollar worth of income. It can be done in a day, it can be done in an hour. Yeah. So find something to pitch, guys. Would that be okay? Find something to pitch. Okay. What I'm trying to say is whatever that we speak to our friends, right? Or colleagues, right? Or your neighbors, right? Whatever that you met, whatever that we speak, including myself, I'm telling myself, whatever that we speak, just be aware that they don't understand actually. You have to be aware of that. You have to be aware because there's no single word, right? Or in a few words, you can make someone understand what is the difference between forex trading, prop funding, internship. It's wide, it's wide, right? So what is your pitching that you should be saying them in order for them to actually, be your accountability partner? Because every one of you are finding your own accountability partner, right? You need 3 to 5 people to trade together, right? So when you pitch it, right, what do you do? Yeah. I mean, there's a better way than better pitching way, right? Showing your account. Yeah. Sometimes you show your chart, you show your account, you earn something, then they will just say, hey, how you earn this money? Then That's one of the easier way, right? But along the way also sometimes, when they heard from their other friends, then it will be different. Okay, yeah, it will be different. Okay, so some things I cannot mention. Some things I cannot mention, right? Yeah. So what I'm trying to tell you is find your keywords that you want to talk to your colleagues, right? Right? Yeah. Because Mr. K is saying that it's very true that you have difficulty sometimes to talk to your colleagues or your friends, right, around you. Okay? Yeah. So what I'm saying that is true. It is true. I agree with you. So you have to find and remember what you have said before and turns people down. So you have to, let them know the new way of or the new techniques of saying it to them and make them understand. Yeah, I mean, for your colleagues at work, it's not a 1 minute job for you to explain to them. You have a lot of lunchtime hour to talk to him, right, or your colleague, right? Yeah. So find your ways. Find your ways. Find your ways. Is that okay? Okay. Good. Okay. So let's get on with the subject for today. Okay. So next announcement. Please take note that the daylight saving is already ends. Ends in November, and the daylight saving will start back again in March. Okay. So while the daylight saving, the DST is off or ends, right? So just remember the clock for the US, right? Yeah, we have to plus 1 hour. We have to plus 1 hour because many of you are residing in Asia, so we don't have a daylight saving here. But things related to the US itself, right, and some parts of the world, right, they have different hours. So for US itself, you have to plus 1 hour. 1 hour. Okay. So meaning if the banks open at 8:30 a.m. previously, okay, in the US itself. So now in the US, they already changed their clock to 1 hour. Okay, that means the bank still open at 8:30 because they change the clock. So when they wake up, they still see 8:30 because they change They change it to 8:30. But our time is not 8:30. Okay, our time is actually 9:30 p.m. Okay, 9:30. 9:30. Would that be okay? 9:30. So whatever you have learned before, right? Whatever you have learned before in this webinar from me, you have to plus 1 hour. Plus 1 hour. Okay, the broker opening hour should be 6:01 for gold, right? And now it's 7:01 a.m. 7 a.m. for gold. Okay? Yeah, 1 hour, all 1 hour. Right? Then the US session, right? Okay, 9:30. The stock market opens at 10:30 and you only can trade at 11. Yeah. And the lunch hour in the US no longer ends at 12:30. It will be 1:30. So meaning right now you can trade up to 1:30 a.m. Okay. So all those timings, right, that I've taught you before, right, especially for the CACP also, just bear in mind all the data that I have explained to you. Those 1 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 7 a.m., all you have to plus 1 hour. All you have to plus 1 hour, right? For those who are in my right, accelerator program, right, the coaching program, right? Yeah, that means you're being coached by me personally on a different scale, right? So all you have to plus 1 hour because the chart, right, the time changes by 1 hour. So whatever on the chart, you have to change, you have to plus 1 hour. Okay. So I've also, sent out the latest version of the tool set itself. So please download and install it. And don't use your template. Don't use the old save template. If you use the save template, then I can't guarantee you your GMT will be correct. Okay, your GMT will be wrong, definitely, right? Your hour, the time hour will be in red in color. right? And yeah, some of the things may just not work. Yeah, may just not work. Okay, so don't use save template. Okay, I already mentioned that on the download folder so that everyone knows that, you should not be using your save template. Again and again, I've known a few traders who use save template. They love to use. Why? Because it's easy, right? You just upload, your tool set, you refresh it, then after that you use your old template. You forgot, you use your old. You know that it doesn't work well for your. Sometimes the TXTP doesn't work. Sometimes, the bucket closer doesn't work properly. Sometimes, right, some trading signals sent out is also wrong. Okay, so take note of that. Would that be okay? Okay, so let's take a look at this Forex Factory, right? Take a look. Right, today there's a lot of news. Yesterday also, right? Definitely, right? So do you observe the time? This is Wednesday, right? Wednesday, right? Take a look. Wednesday. Take a look Thursday. Yeah, browse through. Right? Thursday, and browse through Friday. Okay. So what is this Friday, guys? This Friday, what is it? NFP, right? NFP, right? Non-farm payroll, NFP, right? So NFP should happen on the first Friday of the month, 8:30 p.m. Singapore time. But now you see, 9:30, okay, for the Canadian, but for the US is tentative, okay, not confirmed yet, okay, since the US government still having a shutdown, right? So that's why it says tentative until it is announced, okay? So this is after 9:30. Take a look, 9:30. So from here you can see that, right, the non-farm employment change is categorized under or after 9:30. After the 9:30, right? From here also you can know that the daylight saving has changed. Okay, no longer 8:30. Okay, if you are quite observant on your Forex Factory. Okay, so the next daylight saving will be in March itself. March. Would that be okay? March, So March I will announce to you and release the new tool set so that all the time zones are correct. Okay, right. Okay, so let's begin with the trading session, and I would like to begin with right, Q&A. Can we have some questions? Let's start with that. Okay, water break. Any question? Let's start with that. No question, really? Semua sudah pandai. Wah, all good already. All good. Okay, how do we draw a super SNR for that? Oh, for this. Okay, since many of you have learned super SNR, right? So, of course, it's not a lesson of super SNR, right? So, for super SNR, you want to draw, you draw here, this way, right? That's your super SNR. Okay? Boleh? Can? That's your super SNR. Right? If the TRP appear already below, earlier, then that will be the super SNR. Okay? I believe the TRP have appeared below. Okay? Yeah. That's your super SNR. Okay? Here don't have. For M5, here don't have. Here. This part don't have. Okay? Yeah. Dato, if we use Zakey the robo, do we need to adjust the time for operation to suit the daylight saving? Yeah, of course. Yeah, that's why you need to update your tool set. If you update your tool set, right, your GMT will be 6. will be 6. Okay, 6. GMT offsets is 6. Okay, or else the robot may not work properly Okay, yeah. Can we redraw from the current price? You can, but if you draw from the current price, right, for the super SNR, it won't be M5. Okay, because where is M5? Where is the 5-minute chart? Where is the 5-minute? Okay, the 5-minute is here. 5-minute. This is 5-minute. This is the entire 5-minute. So if you want to draw from the current price, right, that means it's not belongs to 5-minute already. If you draw from here, that is the 1-minute. This is 1-minute, right? That means you are trading the 1-minute. There, correct? I say, see, there. This is 1-minute. This is 1-minute, right? So this is 1-minute. Okay, 1-minute. So even in the 5-minute, right? This is the 5-minute. There you go. So where is 5-minute? Right? 5-minute is here. So here, this is what? This is 1-minute. This is 1-minute. So whatever you draw here is in the 1-minute. This is 1-minute. Okay? Yeah. Okay? So you have to understand that yeah, you may zoom in. You may zoom in like that. You may zoom in. Okay, you may zoom in like that. Then after that, what? You want to draw the lines. So this belongs to the 1-minute, not belong to the 5-minute. Okay? Can? Okay? You have a MTF question. Okay. Example, if there is a downtrend that ended in M5, okay, when the green dragon appears, should we wait for M15 or M30 to be green before we enter buy? Okay, yeah. It is best to wait for M15 and M30. It is best to wait because, right, your MTF is confirmed, right? But if you don't wait, so let's see, you say Pound Yen, right? Okay, someone asked a question, right? So, dragon on, okay, dragon on, okay. So, green dragon appear, should you enter? That's the question, okay. So, take a look at M15, okay, and take a look at M30. So, M15 and M30 still going down, Pound Yen. Still going down, still pink, haven't green, right? So, M30, down, no green dragon. M15, okay, almost going up, almost, okay. There's a light. There's a light at the end of the tunnel. That means it's going to go green soon, right? M5 already green. So you're saying that should you do a buy? Whatever that you do on M5 is early entry. You still can do, right? Because like I said before, when you work on this strategy called the dragon, without looking at M5, M15 or M30, it still works. It still works. 60 to 70%. It still works, right? So green you buy, pink you sell, no problem. Okay? But if you work on an MTF, then your probability of winning will be higher, right? Almost 100%. Almost 100%. Is that okay? Yeah, almost 100%. So if let's say now M15 not green yet, so it may still go down. So whatever you enter at M5 buy, you may lose because it's temporary, right? Okay? And then when it comes down back, probably you have cut lost. You would have cut lost. So actually, in fact, you don't lose everything because you follow strictly. But why some people or many people lose a lot of money is because when the dragon turns pink, they don't want to cut loss. Number one, when the dragon turns pink at M5, they don't cut loss. Number two, they never realize that M15 also pink. They never realize that M30 also pink dragon still going down. So they deserve to lose the money. That's what God say. Yeah, God say like that, no. You deserve to lose the money. Because you don't want to see M30, you don't want to see M15, you don't want to see M5. Yeah, God say. No, I say one. The higher power say one. Right? I already give you three way of help. I send you ship you don't want, small boats to help you from the water. I give you a big ship to get you from the water you don't want. I send you helicopter also to save you don't want. You still want my God's hands. Then God say, I won't do that. You deserve to die. So that's what God say lah. You deserve to lose because you don't want to go M30, you don't want to go to H1, you don't want to check. So you deserve to die lah. That's what God say. Okay? No, I say one. I'm telling you. Okay? It's not a joke. It's real stuff. Okay? Okay. So, okay? Or do we avoid and wait for a breakout? If you know how to trade on a breakout, then by all means you can trade on a breakout, right? Seldom in my class or my session that I introduce a breakout. Seldom. Okay? There are a few of those times in the webinar that I explain about breakout, but seldom, right? So 99% of the time you'll be trading on momentum, right? Unless you are trading on M1 and M5, right? Or especially M1, there'll be a lot of breakouts that happen. Okay? I thought I could be wrong, but you once mentioned using the MT5. Also, it's not possible. May I ask, without offending, why choose MT4? Okay, right. Why choose MT4? Because my code, the toolset itself works on MT4. It doesn't work on MT5. So that's the only reason why everyone is using the MT4 itself. Is it okay? There's no other reason. The toolset works on the MT4 and doesn't work on the MT5. Okay? Probably someday I will upgrade it. I've tried upgrading it for the past 2 years. I mean, not for the past 2 years. As if like it's very long I've been doing that. Okay? Last 2 years, I believe I've done that, but I only can convert about 90%. Then probably last few months, right? Yeah, last 1 year, or 10 months ago, right? In January, I tried again, but it doesn't convert all. Okay? Don't blame me, Don't blame me, okay? Don't blame me. I'm telling you, don't blame me. Why I don't convert to MT5? I want to convert to MT5. I want it so much to convert to MT5. But do not blame me. You blame MetaCodes. Can you blame MetaCodes? All of you go and blame the MetaCodes. Go and write to them a letter. Okay, these MetaCodes belong to the Russian. Okay, it's a Russian company. Right? Yeah. They do not provide a conversion from MT4 to MT5. So blame who? Microsoft can do that. Whatever version, right, you should be doing that. iOS, Apple apps also provide that. Android also provide that. Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, all can be converted. The old version can be converted to a new one. But MetaCodes is so stupid, right? They don't allow conversion. How stupid is that? That's why I'm saying don't blame me. The conversion should be done by the apps provider, not me. Okay, because this is written already in MT4. So who should provide the conversion? Of course, the apps provider, right? Like, as an example, when you keep an Excel format, Excel spreadsheet or PowerPoint file, right? You keep 10 years ago. Now, can you open? Can you still open that file? Can what? Because Microsoft allows conversion. But MetaCodes doesn't allow conversion. How stupid is that? So guys, don't blame me. Don't blame me, okay? Yeah. Go and blame them, okay? I want to convert, but they don't allow everyone to convert. They say no. You have to write from scratch. Well, how stupid is that? How stupid is that to write from scratch? What kind of apps provider you are? Okay, I'm very angry, Okay? Yeah. Okay? Right. I observe it might range when hit super SNR at M5, then it will break. Okay, yeah, good. I mean, observation, right? So right now, you see, the price went down, right? Went down some more. So if it is in range, not a good time for you to trade right now for pound yen, right? Moreover, you know that M15 and M30 is still on the downtrend, okay? Right. Okay, Dato, will you share any more tips on taking trade $50 to 1,000 in the Telegram in future? Share any more tips on taking trade $50 to 1,000? I didn't get your question, right? But yeah. Oh, okay. I understand now. That means the techniques are right. Let's say I convert from $100 into $1,000 tips. Yeah. If there are opportunity, I will let you know. Is that okay? Yeah. Okay. Can you teach us on trading breakout? No problem. So I have a few videos, right, that already teaches that. Not many, but a few. You can actually search on the video Telegram group to look at the past video. Yeah, I've mentioned that, right? Yeah, whether today I'm going to teach you or not, I'm not sure. Then probably next time around. Okay? Yeah. Okay, thank you, Dato'. Now I understand more. Thank you, thank you. Okay, sir. Okay. Right. Yeah. Right. So question quite complicated on the fundamental side, right? On the fundamental side. Okay. Yeah. Mr. SI. Why is it gold charts going haywire? Okay. Or is it near year-end situation? Okay. I mean, right? If you want to know more about fundamentals, you can read up more about fundamentals. You know, why is it? But many of the traders are technical traders, right? So technical traders usually, right? How I answer you, right, is just respond towards the chart. Is that okay? Response. Okay? What do you mean by response? Example, okay? Example. Yeah. I mean, a true example, as an example, like gold, right? Gold. Okay? Yeah. Right? So you're asking, okay, why gold is moving haywire? So probably this is what you are saying, that the gold is haywire, that you can't trade well, right? So I'm not too sure who you blame. Right? Are you blaming Trump? Or are you blaming the broker? Or are you blaming the MT4? Are you blaming the market? Are you blaming me? Or are you blaming yourself? I'm not too sure who you blame. Okay? But the easiest is not to blame anyone, just response. Okay? You ask, why gold, right? Why gold go down? Why? Why this one gold go up? Why gold going sideways right now? What happened? What happened? What happened? What Donald Trump is saying? What the speaker is saying? What is the war is doing? Why this part got double top? Why this part got double bottom? Why this one got pennant? Why so many why, right? If so many why, then cannot finish. Okay, the easiest to become a trader, right? The easiest okay, the easiest. I'm telling you the easiest. I'm showing you the easiest. The easiest okay, is this. Okay, pink dragon, right? Sell. Green dragon, buy. That's the easiest, guys. That's the easiest. If you ask why, you know that there are thousands of market analysts. If you ask all the 1,000 people, all the answer will be different. No one is the same. No one is the same. Why? Oh, this one because of China lah. This one because of BRICS lah. This one because of Russia lah. This one because of the war lah. This one because of the Trump lah. This one because of the US shutdown lah. 1,000 ways people can answer you, 1,000 ways, Why? This one because of the economy lah. This one because of the Dajjal lah. This one because of the the whatever lah, things are coming out lah, right? This one because of so many things ah. This one because of the world is flat lah. That's why lah. They say world is flat lah, world is wrong lah. So many news ah. Wow, guys, you analyze until you paralyze. You ask so much for what? Okay, I mean it's okay to ask. Okay, that means you're asking me, I'm answering you, but I don't want you to, have these thoughts of always wanting to know because you may not get the right answer. Is that okay? You may not get the right answer. You may not get the answer. Okay? Yeah, someone is saying, Mr. Muhammad is saying that because of mak dia hijau, mak hijau. Okay? It's not because mak kau hijau. That means mother green lah. Green mother green. It's because of the dragon is green lah. Better lah. Green dragon and pink dragon is better. Then mak kau hijau is better. Is that okay? I mean, it's a joke lah. Joke. Okay, joke. I'm telling you it's joke. Okay? Right. Don't take it too hard lah. Okay? I'm teaching you a very, logic way of thinking. Right? If you ask, even if you search on the internet, okay, example, you search, AI, right? ChatGPT or DeepSeek, right? Okay, DeepSeek or ChatGPT, why gold is haywire right now? You might get an answer. You might get an answer. I'm not too sure. Okay, let's type. Let's type. Let's type. No problem lah. Okay. ChatGPT. What can you all get from the ChatGPT? Why gold chart is haywire? I don't know what ChatGPT will see your question as. Is it M5 time frame? Is it no time frame? What? Right? Okay. Why gold chart? Right? Why forex? Must use the word forex first. Why forex gold chart is moving haywire? Your direct question. Okay. Search the web, ChatGPT. Here are some of the main reasons. See? Here are some of the main reasons why gold forex chart, often seen as pair XAU USD, might be moving haywire, behaving the high volatility. Okay, the key drivers, right? Safe haven demand, okay, geopolitical risk, interest rate and opportunity cost, the US dollar strength and weakness, inflation and current devaluation, speculation, ETF future and market structure, sudden news and economic data releases. So why it looks especially haywire right now? Wow, so long, guys. How to explain? Even ChatGPT cannot explain to you in 1 minute. Guys, cannot explain to you so long like that. Then after that, in the end, it says, if you would like, I can pull up a current technical chart of XAU USD, gold versus the USD, and show you a specific levels or pattern that are causing the volatility right now. Would you like me to do that? Then if I say yes, wow, then it will show me the chart. Wow, ChatGPT is so intelligent. But so long the answer. Okay, here are the current look of the gold versus the chart. Wow, got chart some more, got pattern some more, got high low, got lower high. Wow. Okay, then got technical levels to watch, resistance, support, trend momentum. Wow. Why? Then why things might feel haywire? Okay, you say that why things that you might feel haywire, because ChatGPT doesn't feel haywire, you feel haywire. So the ChatGPT knows that actually you are feeling haywire, not ChatGPT is feeling haywire. So to answer your question, it says that why you are feeling haywire. Okay, right? Haywire, then bracket volatility. Okay, so if the price, wow, so many guys, so long this one. Okay, then you say my outlook okay, what to keep an eye on. Okay, if price break above a certain range, what to do. If price below the support, what to do. Okay, because of momentum and strength, blah blah blah. Then I ask you some more. If you would like me, I can pull up multiple time frame for the MTF. Example, the 4-hour chart and the daily or weekly chart for gold. We've noted support and resistance zone. Would you like to be helpful? Okay, I say yes. Okay, pull up for me. H4 daily and weekly. Wow. Then it produce some more. Okay. Here are the multiple time frame technical overview for the gold itself with some charts key level across weekly, daily, and 4 hour. Wow, so many guys. So, hey guys, so long guys. Hey. Cannot finish How like that? That's why I say, guys, okay, this kind of question, how to answer in 1 minute, how to answer in 10 seconds. I'm telling you already, you follow green dragon, you buy, pink dragon, you sell easy, ma. Why think so much? Why you think so much? Is that okay? Is it okay? Do I answer your question? Right? Pink dragon sell, green dragon buy. 2 seconds, I finish already. You ask me that question, 1 hour so cannot finish. Because ChatGPT answer will be different from DeepSeek. Cannot finish, okay? Is that okay? Right? Don't think so much, Analyze until you paralyze, okay? Yeah, okay? So, Dato, any advice to trade gold with this high volatility lately? Trade on the lower time frame, not on the higher, because all of you are on the prop, right? So, you trade on the lower time frame is better, okay? M5, follow the dragon, okay? Yeah, there are 1001 reasons, okay? Okay, Dato, pakai TRP, yeah. Correct. Teknik Rescue Prompter, Naga Pips, Arnab Putih, Dot Hebat, Gergasi, make more money. Yeah, the GMM cukup untuk profit. Yeah, okay. Mr. Azazak is saying, is converting all my strategy name into Malay. Right? Yeah, Dato', sorry. I may ask you this question again. May I know any good news regarding the Hayabusa? Okay. Not today, not now. Don't know when. Pray. If you do a lot of praying, right? Yeah. Then it will be there. Okay. Probably if you know certain techniques to pray. Do you know certain techniques to pray? Yeah. Techniques, there are techniques to pray also, to the higher power. Yeah. Okay. They call it permohonan. Permohonan in Malay permohonan. Right? So it's a form of a series of things that you need to do for 3 nights, 7 nights, or even some is 40 days or 44 days straight away, right? When you do that, right, then whatever you wish for, the higher power will actually give it to you. Yeah, the process is called permohonan. So probably if you do some kinds of permohonan, right, then it may happen. Is that okay? Yeah. And it's not joking, it's real. Okay? Okay. But the difficult part is to align dragon with the higher time frame. Yeah, must be green. Yeah. So if you feel that it is difficult to align all the 3 time frames, right? Then you have 3 time frame all together on the screen. Would that be better? Okay, 3 charts on the screen. Okay, that'll be easier. Right. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, you can also do, minta hajat, no problem. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So any other question? Wow. Okay. Hey, good, your question, right? Yeah. Okay. How much is the dragon? How much is the indicator dragon? Right? Please contact your referrer. Is that okay? Please contact your referrer for the price of this indicator called the dragon. Is that okay? Yeah. Some people would like to purchase, right? Yeah. No problem. Okay. Thank you. Any other question? Right? Good question. Good. Okay. You want to take a look at the chart? Can we do a chart analysis at the same time? Would that be okay? Okay, clear all objects. Yes. Okay, I'm clearing all the objects. Okay. So let's take a look at gold as a whole. Okay, before that, I believe there's a question again. Okay, yeah. Okay, is it better to trade dragon on M30 like instead of scalping to do longer trades? Okay, yeah. I believe you are new, right? Yeah, you are new, right? And because I know that you are new, right? Then I should answer properly, so that you don't misunderstood, right? You don't misunderstood. Okay, you can use M30 for the dragon. Okay, yeah, but because you are a prop trader, then you can't use M30 because you'll be easily hit by a drawdown. Okay, I answer your question first before I do the chart analysis. Okay, example here, right here. Okay, yeah. So where's the dragon right now? So the dragon is actually green, not pink. Okay, many of you says that the dragon now is pink in color, right? Okay, you are correct. You are right. The dragon is pink in color. But what I'm seeing, my eyes automatically filter off the pink because I should focus only on the green. Why? Because I'm focusing on the green because the yin yang is below. So if the yin yang is below, my expectation always that the price will rise to the upper TRP. Okay? So that means my eyes will not see pink dragon. My eyes will filter off the pink. Okay? So whatever pink, I have to take care or cut loss. I only interested in buy order only, or buy setup only. Okay? So to answer this question by JS, right? Okay. So if you enter a buy order here, example here, you enter somewhere here, buy because of green dragon, right? So check your stop loss. Your stop loss is below the green. So your stop loss is about 129 pips. Yeah. So 129 pips is quite huge for stop loss. Because if possible, you want it to be lower than 100, right? So if you use M30 as a reference for dragon entry, then your account might burst easily. Your account might burst easily. That's what I'm saying. Okay? But if you use M5, okay, let's say I focus on buy. So if I enter here, let's say buy green dragon here, my stop loss is below the green, right? It's only about 50 or 60 pips max. 60 pips. Yeah, half of that, right? So to answer your question as a new participant in this Zakey Champion Prop Trading, right? I understand that. So I believe I managed to answer you proper so that you don't misunderstood. So especially when you are very new in trading, right? Do not go higher time frame as for your entry, okay? Go to lower time frame, right? M5 for your entry. Okay? If possible, try to learn the M1 technique, the 1 minute chart technique. That will be best, right? To learn the dots on the dot itself. Okay, I hope I answer your question. Okay. Okay, that's where I learn to scalp, right? Protect my capital and your capital. Yes, of course. Okay, yeah, understand that. Can use ring to replace with dragon in M5 time frame? It's not to replace, but it is. Okay, it is. The ring itself, it is the dragon at M5. Okay, yeah, the ring itself is actually the dragon at M5. Okay, yeah. So this is an excellent psychological practice, Dato, that you suggest. Know what dragon color to look at depend on where the market is, either at the bottom TRP or at the top TRP. Yeah, okay, good. I mean, one person question, everyone else learns. Right? Okay, right. So while waiting for your other questions, right? Before I go to jump on the chart analysis, take a look at the arrow. Right, the arrow has been upgraded. Okay, if you click on the arrow here on the left side, right, you see the arrow is already on your chart, on the center of your chart, somewhere in the center. So even if you off, right? The auto scroll, and let's say you do some chart analysis. Okay, let's say right now it's here, right? Current. So if you click on the arrow still will appear here, not at the beginning of the chart. So this one has been remedied for you. And even the chart info also upgraded already. So you'll be placed on your current chart that is active. Current chart that is active. So it's easier right now. Previously you have to drag, right? Doesn't make sense. Okay, yeah. So these two function has been upgraded. Okay, yeah. Okay. So let me put down some notes. Right, later I want to explain to you about stop out. Stop out feature. Yeah, I just put some notes, guys. Don't mind, right? Before I forget. Okay, so let's take a look at the chart analysis. Back to the chart analysis. Okay, yeah. Let me off the drag. Okay, right. So gold itself, what happens to gold? Right? Let's take a look. Okay, page 4. So on your chart, you have the pair name, right? So now the pair name, is coincide with the candlestick overlap, right? Overlap. So I can't see right? So either I squeeze the chart on the right side to make it lower, squeeze it. If I don't want to squeeze it, right? Because I want to see more of the chart, I can turn off the pair name. Turn off the pair name for a while. Okay? So gold have moved to the lowest, about 5,000 pips. 5,000 pips move down. Okay, how long? Okay, since the all-time high to the bottom, about 5 days. It moved about 5 days. You take a look at the info, right? FD, then 16 hour, 5 days and 16 hour, around there. Okay, 5,000 pips, right? Quite a lot. But gold also have moved up, right? Same, 5,000 pip also in 5 days, 4 hours. So 5 days move up and 5 days move down. So where is the 5 days here? From here to here, 5 days. And then it took also 5 days from the top here to the bottom here. 5 days. And this total about 5,000 pips. Right? And gold move in range, right, for 1 day here. For 1 day. Range, 1 day here. 1 day. Okay? But right now, gold already move in range for 4 days. 4 days. 4 days range. Don't know where it will go. 4 days. So this is total of 4 days. Okay? Yeah. I mean, keep your question for a while. Later you repost again your question. Okay? Don't mind. Okay? I won't be reading your question. Okay? So gold already move for 4 days right now. So where will it go next, right? So you just need to respond towards the indicator. Okay. So while gold is moving for 4 days, right, in range, right? But you can see some pattern, right? Pattern from the low. The low is getting higher. Then the low is getting higher. Right? Low is getting higher. Low is getting higher. But suddenly today, right, the low, right, probably getting lower, starting to getting lower. Not yet. Right? Still there. There you go. Still there. Right? The first touch and the second touch. Okay? Yeah. So probably your blue line, this blue line you can adjust here. can adjust. Okay, yeah. So it's still there, haven't lower yet. But if the low, right, getting lower, that's the tendency that gold can go down some more. Okay, if the low getting higher, then good news, gold is going up. Okay, or the higher getting higher, the high getting higher. It is the lowest, right? Low getting higher, high getting higher. But this high now getting lower. See, the high getting lower. So now what happened? Right? So there is a pattern here. Right? The high getting lower. The high getting lower. Right? Could be forming a candlestick pattern called pennant. Yeah, could be. So you will consolidate, right, inside this pennant, inside this triangle, and then it will start to break out. It will start to break out. Right? Yeah. So usually that's the way. That's the way. Then it will start to break out. So either break out here or break out later, but this is the position for it to break out. Okay? So right now, gold is not getting anywhere. The price is the volatility is becoming lower and lower and lower. Okay? Why? Again, right? Someone will ask why. This is fundamental question. Again, if you check with ChatGPT, it will be a lot of different kind of answer, right? But nevertheless, as a trader, the easiest way is to respond towards the indicator or towards the price itself. That will be better. Okay? But the ultimate reason of why the price, there is no volatility, because right now not many people are trading. That means the big brothers are not trading. Okay? Yeah. Retail traders, the entire retail traders in the world is only 20%. 20%, guys, 20. All of us thousands of traders, your friends and family member are trading Forex, gold, many of them. Okay? It is only 20% of the entire Forex industry, 20%. 20% cannot move the market. So, who moved the market? Okay, the market mover is the one who moved the market. Okay, the big brothers, the banks, okay, the investment firms, family accounts, business people, okay. So they are the one who can move the market, not us. We cannot move the market. Even if all of us trade gold together, we cannot move the market. We only can move by few pips only. Okay, 1 pip, 1 billion. 10 billion, we only can move 10 pips only. What's 10 pips? How to move? What, 10 billion, 100 billion, move what, 100 pips only? We can't move 5,000 pips. No way. There's no logic for us, retail trader, to move. Only the banks, the investment firms can do that. Okay? So you understand right now that why the market is consolidating, because no one is trading. No one means not the retail trader, I'm saying. No one means the big brothers are not trading. The 80% who are the market mover are not trading. So if they are not trading, there's a reason why you see there's no trending. There's no trending. No trend, doesn't go up, doesn't go down. Like before, it can go few thousand pips, right? Yeah. Even here, you see how much it moved from here, right, to here. Wow, that was like 10,000, right? 10,000 pips. Yeah. Right? Yeah. 10,000. Yeah, correct. Okay. Yeah. Okay. 10,000. So we can't move the market, guys. We can't. Okay. Yeah, this arrow a bit confusing. Yeah, right. You see the arrow doesn't follow the chart. See, the arrow went up, right? Doesn't follow. So I was a bit shocked just now, right? See, funny, right? Funny, the arrow. Okay, but no choice, right? Yeah, this is the arrow, the only arrow that I can make it for you, right? There's another form of arrow, but the arrow will be different. Later, I cannot make the arrowhead for you because the arrowhead here is very intelligent. If you move the arrowhead also move, because it can measure degree. It can measure degree. So that's why I use a different line. But this different line, right, respond to different way on the chart itself. Quite funny, This one not my problem. This one is MetaCode's problem. MetaCode's, yeah. You go and complain to them. Okay? Or else I would have provided you a better arrow. Okay. So we wait for it to break out, right? So for it to go for a better trend, right? So fundamentals need to happen. Fundamentals, right? Things to do with the US economy itself, things to do with BRICS, yeah, announcement, interest rate, then the market can move. Or else, if these few days it doesn't have no major news, right? No major news, then the market won't move, Then the market cannot move because no major news. If there's a major news that can move the market as if it's a market mover news, then the price can actually move. Okay? What is your intention? Your intention for the price to move about back to 5,000 pips. You want the price to move back to the all-time high. Not only you want, we want, I want, everybody also want, right? So now everybody are sitting like waiting for the egg to lay, for the chicken to lay the eggs, right? Like kelabu like that, we waiting, we sit down, alamak, the chicken don't want to lay the eggs, how, what to do, Okay, you don't know what to do, then go scalping mode, Scalping modes, would that be okay? Scalping modes. Right? Even NFP news can't move much, okay? The NFP itself can move about 100 pips only. 100 itself on the 9:30 p.m. 9:30, right? Right, but the actual NFP movement can reach about probably 1,000 pips, right? But that will be, the week after the NFP. Okay, yeah. So, but there won't be NFP, right? Yeah, news, especially for the US dollar. Why? The US still shut down, unless something happened tomorrow, right? The US government back on track. Then we take a look at the news whether does it build confidence towards the economy, right? If it builds more confidence towards the economy, gold will crash, gold will dip down, right? So after the US government take over back, then if no confidence, then gold will rise, and that's good news. So gold can move both ways, up and down right now. So it's very, very critical right now. Because gold have moved so low, and can it go lower? Yes, it can. Yes, it can. It can create a panic attack, right? If the news are bad. If the news are bad. Yeah. Okay? It can create a panic attack. Okay? Right? Okay, so we take a look. Yeah. Is it safer? Same lah. BTC also same. BTC even worse. Even worse. Okay? Even worse. Because for Bitcoin itself, right, no one is governing the Bitcoin. So it can move up and down anyhow. Okay, at least gold is controlled. Okay? Yeah. Controlled substance. Yeah. Right? So gold cannot go to zero. Oil cannot go to zero. So these are controlled commodities. Is that okay? Controlled commodities. Right? Bitcoin are not controlled commodities. You want to go zero, so it can go to zero. No problem. Okay? If Bitcoin really go to zero, a lot of people become rich. Okay? The rich become richer. Then the normal people also become richer. Okay? Because you go to zero, everybody will buy. Zero, what to do? Buy lah. Buy at $0 mah. You buy a lot at $0. Right? That means 10 cents, 20 cents, $1, $2, $10 is considered zero lah. $100 also considered zero. Even $1,000 also can consider zero lah. Compared to now, the price is about what? Under over 1,000. So that's 1%, right? So consider almost zero, right? So if Bitcoin really go to 1% or below, a lot of people become rich. Okay. So Bitcoin, there's no control. Okay, no control. But there's some form of control for Bitcoin already. Why? Because a lot of governments already bought BTC. They don't buy other coins, they buy BTC, right? So there are a slight form of control, right? By two different parties. One is the big brothers, the whales, and the other one is people like us. So because of these two parties, so it's not easy for controlled commodities to crash or control items like this to crash. Because there are two parties. It cannot be both doing the sell-off. It cannot be, the whales doing the sell-off at the same time, the retail traders also doing the sell-off. It cannot be. It's quite impossible, right? Yeah. So they can move the market only 50%. Could be 50%, right? And many of those individual holders of Bitcoin itself are still holding, they won't sell. Yeah. Okay? Yeah. Yeah, all became negative during the COVID, right? Before at minus $35, but you cannot buy at that point. Okay, they closed the counter. Okay, OTC counter, right? They close it, so no one can buy oil unless you already place your buy limit. Unless you already place, if you already place on your chart, right, or your position for buy, then they can't do anything. They have to let you buy. They have to honor your position. But when oil go to minus $35 at the point of time during the COVID, right? If you want to buy, you can, because the counter closed. Yeah, or else a lot of people become rich. Okay, yeah. Okay. Are there chances Bitcoin going below 100? No chance, right? If I say I hope that it will go to 100, then it sounds like, I'm not knowledgeable, right? Yeah. No way Bitcoin can go 100. Is that okay? No way. Okay, no way. If really Bitcoin go below 100, what would you all do already? Everybody rush, because all of you are trader, right? Everybody will rush to buy. Yeah. Rush. That's called the gold rush. Yeah. Okay. So let's wait for the fundamentals, right, for gold to happen, to move the market. For now, if you still want to trade gold, no problem. You can go to lower time frame, right, and do the trading. So where is lower time frame? So M5 and below. Okay, M5 and below. Right, so turn on the dragon and take a look at the dragon itself. Right, pink dragon you sell, green dragon you buy. Okay, yeah. US market just opened at 9:30 just now. Okay, not much of a movement. Okay, right. Then if M5, there's no clear direction, right? Check M15, check M30, right? Yeah, probably you'll be in range for quite some time, right? A new range has been identified. A new range has been identified. Would that be okay? New range, that's your new range. Okay, so what's the range? 250 picks. 250. Yeah, 250. Okay, so in this range, what to do? Right, go to M5. Is it tradable? Non-tradable, M5, non-tradable. You can't trade at M5 also. How to trade? You only can see the trend. Pink is going down. Pink dragon is going down. Green dragon going up. Okay? You only can see the trend, but you cannot enter. Right? So my advice, if let's say you are trading right now, go for the dots. Go for the dots at M1 time frame. Okay? So turn on the wonder dot itself. Turn on. Okay, do a refresh, and that's it. Yellow dot sell, green dot buy. Okay? Yellow dot sell. So if you sell at the yellow dot, here, yellow dot, okay, profit right now already 176. If you buy just now at the green dot, profit taking 80 to 90 pips. Yeah, right? And there's a lot of green, yellow dots that happening. There. This is the previous one, right? Yeah, 100 over pips. This is the previous green dots. 40 over pips. This is the previous yellow dot, right? 50 pips. Yeah, 50 pips. And why are these in range? You have to take a look at the time, right? Because some of the times, gold will move in range, right? So you know your timing. I won't repeat this today. You must know your own timing to trade gold. Okay, and not to trade gold, when not to trade gold itself. Okay? And then, yeah, if you follow the ring, it will be good to follow the ring, right? Because the ring is actually the dragon at M5, exactly. Right? But nevertheless, if you want to wait for the ring to come out, it'll be late a little bit, too late, right? Unless it's really, really trending. If the market is really trending, then the red ring is good. Right? Since the market is in the sideways, then the blue ring and the red ring will be a late or lagging indicator. Lagging indicator, because it's in range. So if it's in range, do not use the blue and the red ring. Ignore the blue ring and ignore the red ring when the market is in range. Okay? Yeah. And follow only the yellow dot. Yellow dot. Follow the yellow dot or follow the green dot. Follow the green dot. Is that okay? Okay? Yeah. Oh, you are saying that Bitcoin below 1,000. So below 1,000, 1%, unlikely also lah. Unlikely. Okay? Yeah. Unlikely. Okay? If Bitcoin goes to below, who wants to sell you? Yeah. Later you buy also, the counter close. Coin Hako everywhere also close. Yeah. Yeah. Okay. But you can buy, yeah, sometimes Forex also they close. You cannot trade also, sometimes. Right? If the liquidity provider, the banks, doesn't allow the broker to release the data, so we as a retail trader also cannot click buy. Sometimes they will close also, because the bank doesn't allow retail traders to buy at very low price. Yeah. Okay? Unless you have good contacts. Yeah, good contacts. Then you can buy Bitcoin, not on the chart itself, but you can buy the Bitcoin offline. Offline, when it really go very low. Yeah. That is like overnight millionaire. Overnight millionaire. If Bitcoin really go to below 1,000, overnight millionaire. Yeah. Right. One Bitcoin 1,000, you buy 50 Bitcoin 50,000. So you dump 50,000. The next day when Bitcoin go up back to 100,000, 100,000 times 50 times, wow, overnight multi-millionaire. Overnight. Yeah. Okay. Any other question? Any other question? Any other question? Okay, for breakout, right? For breakout, some of the participants' question, right, on the breakout is So let me turn off those strategy. Don't want to confuse you. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So this is 1 minute chart. 1 minute chart. Okay. 1 minute chart. Right. So I draw the TRP. Draw. I draw the TRP. Okay. Overlaps. Yeah. There you go. Okay. The TRP is already there, but why I draw it to overlap is because maybe later the TRP will change. Right? If the TRP change, then you cannot remember where is the exact TRP line. Okay? Yeah. So where is M5? M5 TRP? Here. Okay, maybe I put a different color. Okay, different color. I put orange. Wow, orange and yellow is like the same. I don't want to put darker orange. Okay. Yeah. Here. So this is M5, right? I put the two lines, M5. Hey, sorry, this is M15. Sorry, guys. Is it the same? M5 and M15? Yeah, almost same. Okay, I just have to adjust a little bit. Right? Oh, I think the wrong one just now. Okay, here. So this is M5. I can never duplicate. Okay. So this orange color is belongs to M5, then the purple color belongs to M1. So let's take a look. So this is M5 TRP. I already duplicate by using an orange line. Okay. Then I go to M1. What do I see? What do I see? What do I see? M1. So at M1, I see what? I see two orange line. This orange line belongs to M5, right? M5. And then I see two purple line that belongs to M1 just now. Luckily, I draw, right? Yeah. There you see? I draw. This is the new TRP line belongs to M1, already adjusted. This is the previous one, right? So let me turn off for teaching purpose. Okay? So this is the M1, so this is the M5. So I want to take a look here. I don't know what color you use for your candle. Okay? So let me use the blue and the red. Maybe some of you like it, right? Okay, this is M1. So I'm going to observe M1. Observe. Okay? M1. So this is what you are trading on M1, on the dot itself. So if you turn on the dot, you will see this. Yellow dot, green dot, yellow dot, green dot. Okay? Right. So if you zoom out, see. So now what you see, guys? What line you see? What's the orange line? M5. M5. Okay. So if M5 is going down, M5 is going down, is going down, right? If M5 is going down, here for another 127 pips or 130 pips, 130 pips. If M5 is going down, what will happen to M1? What will happen to M1? Breakout, right? Breakout. Breakout, right? So M1 will actually break out. Break out, it will break out. Right? So breakout where? Maybe it will break out now, or maybe it will break out later. It will go up first, and it will also go down like that. Maybe it will break out later. Right? Because the price move in such a manner. Yes? See? Understanding charting, you know. This is understanding charting. Understanding. So I'll give you a few perspectives how to look at the chart. There? This is M5 ma. Do you want me to label? M5? M5 TRP. M5 lower TRP. This is M5 lower TRP. Right? So this is M5 upper TRP. Yeah? Right? Yeah. So this is M1. What is this? Right? M1 upper TRP. Right? What is this? M1 lower TRP. Right? Yeah. So if the price is going down, still, then a breakout must happen. Breakout. Right? Yeah. M1 breakout. TRP must happen. Yeah? Right? Then after the breakout happen, then the TRP will readjust back again. Will be readjusting back again. Okay? Yeah. Then of course you can see a super SNR. You can see the super SNR here. So maybe I change the color to what? Green. Yeah. The super SNR here happened. Right? Last week during the CACP, right? I thought teach the super SNR very in detail. They learn in detail. Right? So if it breaks up the super SNR, it will go up higher. Right? That's for buy entry. Right? Or else it will go down. But either way, it will break up. Either way, it will break up. Okay? So who understand this? You can screenshot. Who understand this? Anyone understand this? Understand? Okay. So let me do a little bit of changes. Can? Okay. So let's say the price break up. Okay, usually that it will break out. To where break out? I tell you. Let's say the price break out to here. Here. To this portion here. Right? So I put aside first. Put aside. Then I put aside. If the price go up to here, you know what happened to the TRP? The TRP will be adjusted this way. I don't know. If the price break up to this portion here, the TRP will be like that. And then this bottom part, the TRP won't be like that, right? Because this will be in sync, right? Symmetrical, right? So it will be like that. The TRP will change like that. Okay? Yeah. So the TRP will change like that. Depend on the price. If the price go up, the TRP will change, Okay? And then price will come down. Price will come down. Right? Yeah. Okay, this one is not upper, this one is lower. Yeah. And breakout may happen here. Right? Yeah. Breakout will happen here. So this is M1 lower TRP. So this is how the TRP works, If the price go up, the TRP line will change, Or else, if it doesn't break the super SNR, then a breakout will happen here, right now. Okay? Right? So let's turn on the TRP, I turn on the TRP, for M1, there you go. So right now, the TRP is as such, This is the TRP right now. Okay? So this is the current TRP. So red yin yang. So when it breaks the TRP, then the breakout will happen, right? Because it doesn't go up. But if it go up, the TRP will not be like that, The TRP will adjust by itself and produce that purple line. Now you see a breakout. You see? A breakout happen, right? Yeah. A breakout happening right now. Okay? It break out the lower TRP already. There you go, you see? It break out. Going towards the M5 lower TRP. Going towards the M5 lower TRP. Right? So this is the one. Going this way, Okay? Yeah. So for some of you, right, who knows that, or not knows, who are trading on M5, let's say you are trading on M5. Okay? You're trading on M5. Those who are trading on M5, what they do? They do sell, They do sell. Right? So the price will close until bottom. Yeah. Until this bottom. Okay? Until this bottom. About how many? How many pips? 135 pips more. 235. So for those who are doing sell orders here, sell order. Sell. I can enter. Oh, okay. I'm on different mode. Sorry. Yeah. Okay. For those who are M5, right? They did a sell, no? They did a sell. So this is M5 trader. M5 trader did a sell. Right? So this is the TRP line, right? They want to take how many? 130 pips, they want to take. But for those on M1, what happened on M1? What are they trading? They're trading on the breakout. So this is what they call it, breakout trading. So on a lower time frame, usually it will be a breakout. Right? So breakout will happen is because the price will move to the next higher time frame direction. So this is M1 breakout. M1 breakout. See, this is the upper TRP, right? The upper TRP. The lower TRP don't have already. Gone. No more already lower TRP. Gone. Now have. So it's readjusting, but it's red in color. Red yin yang. Red yin yang means what? Red yin yang means I'm still going down. I can go down. Or I want to go down. That's what the yin yang is saying. Yeah. Okay. So the TRP can change a lot of times. So this is the TRP, right? This is the TRP. So let me do a same color with the TRP. Okay. So at first, the TRP is like that. This position. Here. Yeah. Then it breaks out some more. The TRP changes. TRP changes. TRP changes. TRP changes. TRP changes. Below some more. But still red in color yin yang. Then the TRP changes again. Now here. So that means the distance become wider and wider. The distance here now is 314. Now not available. See, the TRP gone already. So later, the TRP will go down some more. 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 There's some more. Follow. So just now you saw 314, right? So later it will become maybe 320 or 330, right? The TRP will adapt. That means you are trading on a breakout right now. On a breakout there. Breakout happening. Breakout. But on the M5 it's not a breakout. Right? So which one is a correct trader? M5 trader or the M1 trader is correct? Both are correct. Both are correct. Then you can put your TP. Right? You put your TP. Yeah, just state my TP there. Right? About 100 pips. How much is 100 pips? 100 pips is about $10, right? $10. Turn on. Yeah. Okay. So M5 trader, they never trade on breakout. They say it's going down only, downtrend, maybe following the dragon. But M1, the 1 minute chart is having a breakout. So which trader is correct? Both are correct. So both traders are correct. Is that okay? Is that okay? Okay. So this is M5. Right? Yeah. So this is M5 lower TRP. Okay? Yeah. Okay. Take a look at the news. Any news today? At 10? Where's your next arrow? Tentative only, don't have, tentative. Yeah. Okay, daylight saving. To know whether your daylight saving is correct, take a look here. This one must be the same timing as your computer timing. 10:07 is the current time right now. So that means all these news will be correct. Auto adjust. Okay? Yeah. So this is what you call it breakout technique. So breakout technique, right? If you look at M1 is breakout. Now you see the TRP changes, right? See? The TRP change. Yeah? Like that. Top and bottom. Right? Then the previous one is one, right? 1 and 2. Then just now it was different, right? Just now the TRP line was this way, right? You saw, right? It was this way just now. Yeah. So now the TRP changes. So we know that M1 breakout, but right now the M1 readjusting, the TRP readjusting, so it doesn't break out. Right? But according to the previous one, right, M1 actually break out. Okay? Yeah. So for the TRP, it will adapt. It will adapt. Will that be okay? The TRP will adapt. So you may see a breakout and you may not see a breakout because it's adaptive. Adaptive. Will that be okay? So what's the actual breakout terms that can be used and how to use it? Okay, right. What you can do, right? You can detect the range. Okay, detect the range. You detect the range. This is the range, right? This is the range. Is that okay? This is the range. Right? And then you, I put the lower, the line, lower. Okay? Lower line. So that means the price break out downwards from the range. Is that okay, guys? From the range, it break out lower. From this range. From this range. Either it break out upward or it break out downwards. For this case, actually, it break out downwards. It break out downwards. Slowly, it went down. So that means break out from the range. So when it break out from the range, now it is in the slight trending down. Slight trending down. So meaning it break out and begin to trend. Okay, why it begin to trend? Okay, it could be bank opening hours. Okay, yeah. Then it start to trend, start trending. Okay, when there's news, it will go up back. News again, it will go down back. When there's another news, it will go up back. When there's news, it will go down back. So every news, there are tendency that the price will do a reversal. So you have to take a look at the news. Do not trade within the news. Okay, 1 a.m. there will be news, 4 a.m. So whenever there's news, all these news can do a trend reversal. It can change back. Can change back. Okay. Yeah. Right. So right now, bank opening hours 9:30. Anything can happen. Right. It's 10:11 right now. Yeah. Follow your trend or follow your dots. Is that okay? Follow your dot. Follow your dots. Yeah. Yellow dot sell, green dot buy. Follow your dots. If you want to follow your dots, also can. Okay, follow the TRP line. Follow the TRP line only. Also. Yeah. Good. Who understands this explanation? Trading on a breakout. Yeah. Right. So let's go to M5, right? M5. Yeah. So if you go to M5, is there a breakout? No. No breakout. No breakout. No breakout on the TRP. Right? But the M5 itself has a range, right? Has a range. So where is the range on M5? Let me delete this blue line. The blue, I can't delete. Sometimes these meta codes, right? Yeah. How come I cannot click? Delete this first. Wow. I cannot delete this blue box. Okay, never mind. I can't click. Can cannot. Each corner. I click the corner already. Sometimes I have difficulty to delete. Yeah. Cannot. Unless you sometimes go to objects, but difficult to find objects. You want to, so many labels, you want to, so many, you want to delete. Leceh. Okay, never mind. So let's go back to M5. Okay, where's the range at M5? Okay, I show you the range. Here. From here to here. This is the M5 range, right? Yeah. Then you go lower. You wanted to break out, but there's a pin bar, right? Pin bar below. Here, there's a pin bar. Then we went up back. A rejection. Rejection. Wow, I cannot delete. Wow, something is wrong with this chart. Wow, later I draw so many, I can't delete. I can't delete the box, guys. Okay? Don't allow me to delete the box. Wow, what happened? Don't have. Okay? Rectangles. Oh, you all can see. Okay? Then it breaks. It breaks out. Here, it breaks. Here, it breaks. But there's a low, right, and rejection of pin bar. So that means this is the breakout. This is the breakout. So if you look at M5 as a whole, you can't see a breakout. But if you zoom in, then you can notice that there's a slight range and a breakout here. So inside M5, there's no TRP breakout, but there is a breakout. There is a breakout from the range, correct? Breakout from the range. Can you see that? Okay? I help you to identify. Help you to identify. Right? Yeah. Oh, okay. Right. Then go back to M1. Okay, let's see what happened at M1. Okay? So M1, it breaks the super SNR here. M1, it breaks. Yeah? Super SNR, it breaks. Okay? It wanting to go up. So if we go up this way, like this one, the one I draw, we go up this way, then it will change, the TRP will change. If we go up this way, then the TRP will change. Then the breakout will happen later again. Yeah. Because this was a slight breakout only here. Just now was a slight breakout due to bank opening hours. That's why it went down a little bit. Yeah. Okay. It's good that we go through this so that you understand. Right? Yeah. Technical movement. Sometimes if you don't go through this together with me, right, online, you won't go through it yourself also. Yeah, sometimes you won't. I mean, you turn on your chart, but you didn't observe where the chart is moving. Is that okay? Right? Yeah. Okay? Any other question? So as a breakout is concerned, it might be a breakout to you, but it won't be a breakout to another trader. Okay? Yeah. So this was the previous line, right? Purple line, previous line, but now the TRP is here. Question, can this price break out from the TRP line? Can or cannot? Can it break out? Can, can break out, Yeah, can. Right? Anyway, this is still within the TRP, and the price can go in range, anything that you like. So that's why we cannot ask, why the price move this way? Why the price haywire? Okay, don't ask so much. Just respond. How to respond? Green dot buy. Yellow dot appear. So if you don't have, never turn on your yellow dot and green dot. Now you don't know whether to hold or not to hold. If you off, you're still holding your sell order. Okay? You see, I did a sell order just now, right? So now you hold. Hold until where? Hold until where? Until the TRP line, you want to hold? What happens if you break out? Hold 100 pips. Hold 200 pips. Hold until your account wipe out. But if you have a green dot, better, right? Green dot, buy yellow dot, sell. So this is green dot. Right? Or else, when you do a sell just now, you got a profit, the one to take. Never mind. When the price go up back inside and turns green, you should have exited. Correct, guys? You should have exited. Right? Let me zoom in for you. There you go. Right? Where's my entry just now? Here. Show you. Turn on this one, yellow. Right? The entry is here. This is the entry. EP. Yeah, EP. Sell EP 3970. Okay? The price went down 65 pip at $6.59. The lowest. So you don't close, right? At 69 pips. And then it went up back. Back to your entry price. And 1 minute entry price, 2 minute, 3 minute entry price still, 4 minute entry price, 5 minutes, 6 minutes still entry price. Then it went up, turned to green. Turn to green, you don't want to close because you say up, going up. Why you don't want to close? It's because you say your account can hold. So now it went up. Now it went up. Go to 70.1, 70.1. Your account can hold, right? And maybe you say right, M15, M5 also going down, so you can hold. Okay, maybe your stop loss is 100 pip, or maybe your stop loss is 200 pip. Okay, but now it went down a little bit, red color, and still there will be a yellow dot. Right? Once the yellow dot appear, you happy. You say, oh, luckily got yellow dot. They will come in. But now you go back to your break even. If the trade is no good, you should have exited also. You can exit now. Go back to your break even. See the red candle? Go back to your entry price. Here, you don't want to close. You still hope. Sometimes you hope. Yellow dot appear. If the yellow dot appear, then you're hoping you'll be stronger. Okay? Yeah. Then you can go back to the break even. You can go down some more. So it's up to you. So as a trader, you need to decide. You can close 10 pip, 20 pip, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Go back to 60, the one to close, 50, 40, 30, the one to protect. Then now loss, floating loss. Go back to break even, the one to close so. Then now go back to break even again, the one to close so. Hoping. So as a trader, they can make a decision right there and then on the market. But different trader make a different decision. Is that correct? If trades are no good, you can actually exit. Right? Yeah. If bad trades are bad trades you can exit. Okay? Yeah, now on profit what? Break even what? 1 pip. Can close They say that, oh, now back on track. Yellow dot, luckily appear a yellow dot. Wow, now I'm back on track. So that means as a trader, you decide. You decide what to do with your trades. Yeah. But luckily the price never go up. If the price go up, you should have what? Your stop loss. Until where? Until where is your marker? Until where is your stop loss? So you need to decide. So a lot of people lose money because they still hold. They hold and hoping until it go down higher. Yeah, at the high side here, go down. But what happened? Doesn't go high, go down as here. It go up some more, a little bit more. Your account might not be able to hold anymore. Right? Yeah. So guys, you can use this feature on the right side. The 69 feature, 69. So if you click one time, this 69 feature, yeah, right, 1, 2, and 3 times. You can see there are information. Okay, you can see the line, the white line. This white line states your entry, and there are information cell, and when was it? 20 minutes ago. And what was your floating high and your floating low? Okay, you can use that information. So on M5 now, where the YY appear at the lower TRP, is it safe to take a buy order? It doesn't mean that when it's at the lower TRP, you can take a buy. It doesn't mean that. Yeah. Once you see dragon, you can take a buy. That will be better confluence. Okay? Yeah. So if M5 already appear, see M5, Yin Yang already appear, what to do, guys? Exit your trade. Yin Yang already appear, M5. Should exit. So how to see while you are M1? Luckily, I got a label for you. There are labels here. Yeah? M5 lower TRP. Already here. The Yin Yang also appear here. So you should exit your trade. Cannot hold already. M5. Unless you go for M15. So M15, they're still lower. M15 can go lower. So if you want to hold for M15, what happened to your M1 and M5? again what will happen? If you hold for M15 profit, for M15, what happened to your M1 and M5? Breakout will happen again. Breakout will happen at M1 and breakout will happen at M5. Is that okay? Is this good exercise? I believe it's good. I believe it's good exercise. Right? Yeah. Anybody did a sell? See the one to close. See the one to close. 10:30, stock market open. 10:30. This price can go up. Okay, I won't close my order because if I close, there's no reference whether the price is going up or down. So you will lose the reference in this lesson. So for me, I will not close. I will go through the 10:30. Right? But for you, you should have closed. Stock market open 10:30. Remember? No more 9:30. And you cannot be trading at 10:30 to 11. Yeah, you must trade only after 11. Okay? Okay, good. You are cut off profit at 1.6 pips. Okay, break even. Okay? Yeah. So can we just follow the green and yellow dot instead of all the stuff? Yeah, can. 60% probability of winning. Can. You can just follow the yellow dot, sell, green dot, buy. Blindly. You can follow blindly. Okay? Yeah. No problem. Okay? Follow while the market is open better. Then you can get a lot of profit. When the bank is open. Example, pound yen, right? You trade in the morning and afternoon for pound yen. Then you follow the green and the yellow. Then good. Right? Then for the dollar itself, yeah, at night, you trade at night. Right? Because the dollar only opens our night. So you trade in the night. Then it'll be trending. If trending, then the yellow dot or the green dot will give you more profits. In the right, one right, yeah, more profits. So in the sideways, it depends. If the sideways market, range market, the distance is too short, then the yellow dot and the green dot will not give you profits because the distance is too small. If the distance is huge, then in a range market, it's still profitable. So it depends on the range distance. Range distance, okay? Yeah, correct. Provided the distance is more than 50 pips, okay? Yeah. So should I put the SL at the dots? Can also. You can use the dots or you can use the parabolic also can. Up to you. Right? Yeah. Parabolic saw. So let's bring up a parabolic saw. Yeah? Not only the big yellow dots, but there's a small yellow dots called the parabolic saw. The parabolic saw can be your SL. Better lah. Okay? Parabolic saw is a better SL rather than the dot itself as SL. Okay? So that means now I'm doing a sell, right? Where's my SL? If you put the yellow dot SL too far away, you push here. Yellow dot. Right? Better, Better. Will that be okay? Wow! Hit my TP, guys! Kapow! 100 pips, 100 pips. Wow. See, I told you all, 10:30, stock market open. Anything can happen, guys. Anything can happen. Stock market open. Take a look. When the stock market open, anything can happen. See? See? Going down some more. Stock market open. Hey, guys, I got 100 pips, 103.3 pips, Wow. How many of you got profit? Go, you all got profit? You all got profit? How many of you got profit? 100 pips like me. Anyone? Anyone? Hey, no reply, leh. No reply. Good. Okay, because it's a trick question, ma. It's a trick question. I ask you how many of you got 100 pips like me. Actually, it's a trick question. You should not be trading now, ma. At 10:30. See, all of you are saying that. Okay, very good. Actually, it's a trick question. Okay? Do you know that is a trick question, or you don't realize that that's a trick question? Trick question, Nice, Nice CIC, Nice CIC. Stay out, ma. You're taking notes. Who said yes? Yeah. It's a test question. Yeah, it's a test question. No, sometimes when you're having a test, there's a question, ma. You don't know it's a test question. Right? So don't trade, If any one of you answer, yeah, I also got 100 pips. That means I know, you all listen to me, You all still trade at 10:30. I said don't trade at 10:30. You see what happened? 10:30? Okay, don't trade from 10:30 until what time? Huh? 11, Okay, after 11, then you take the order, Yeah, don't trade now, Yeah. Oh, good, Is it fun? Is it fun? Trading should be fun, Yeah. See? Nearly 300 pips, going down, Yeah. Okay? That means the market follow the higher time frame, right? What is this? Going down. Antivirus report. Okay? M30 hit. Okay? That means M15 and M30 hit the lower. Okay? Now breakout at H1. H1 breakout already. Okay? Going towards H4. Now going towards H4 already, guys. H4. Later we see together what happened to H4. Later we see. Yeah. Now we enjoy the water flow first. The fountain. Fountain. Yeah. I thought your chart looks like star constellation now. Yeah. Because you are a pilot, right? So you see a lot of stars. Hey, on top there, pilot. As a pilot, you at the front there, the cockpit, right? You saw star, really? I just want to ask a question. Oh, you saw star. How big? Big or not? Is it nearer? Is bigger or what? Oh, many star. Wow. Really? Because from the side view can't see much, right? From the cockpit can see quite a lot, right?
Philippines
Can see star. Okay, because we were above the clouds, then you can see more stars. Okay, now I understand. Okay, yeah. But if you never put your stop loss, you can see more stars. Right? Yeah. No stop loss. You see more stars. Yeah. Right? Not at the cloud, but at your ceiling. Even you close your eyes, also you see star. Because no stop loss, Yeah. Okay, how many pips went down? Wow, 300 pips, guys. 300 pips. 300. 300 pips. Okay? 300 pips. Yeah. So what to do when you are, or what you can do if you want to take advantage of these 300 pips? Can you take advantage of these 300 pips? What do you think of the answer? Yes or no? Cannot cannot take advantage
小妹，你们怎么来了？当然是来庆祝你离婚了，哥，离婚快乐！刚领的，还热着呢。
Do you want to take advantage of these 300 pips?
当初是怎么想
Do you want to take advantage?
住这道苏家，要我说，还不如娶你大姐我。才不呢，要娶也是娶我。
你们两个，我 say yes
哪有娶自己的姐姐和妹妹的？咱们又没有血缘关系，当然可以结婚啦。对啊。
Right? If you take advantage, I can teach you. I can teach you how to take advantage of these 300 pip or 500 pip or 1,000 pip that he can give you. Okay? Can You want to know or don't want to know? Want to know? Okay lah, I teach you. Okay? I teach you. Okay, I have a buy and I have a sell entry right now. Just now, sell entry here. Right? So this is my sell entry. Right? Sell sell entry right? And then remember to put your stop loss. Put your stop loss. Okay? So that's your stop loss. How many pips? Okay? 50 pips, 40 pips. 50 or 40 pips. Just above the parabolic. Just above the parabolic. Okay? Yeah. Right? So this is your stop loss. This is your sell entry. Just above the parabolic. Okay? So observe before the bank opening hours or a news breakout, right, happen, usually the price will move sideways. Will move sideways. Okay? Right? But this is stock market, right? So for high impact news, it's quite dangerous to do this. Disclaimer first, disclaimer. High impact news, it might work, it might not work because of slippage. Because of slippage. So I put here, slippage. Okay. Slippage might happen. Okay. If slippage happen, right? Yeah, I put here red color first. Disclaimer. Disclaimer first. Okay, slippage might happen. So if slippage happen, right, it doesn't hit your stop loss, it might hit more. It might hit more. So you have to know, disclaimer first, slippage might happen, right? So you do a sell order, right? 10:30 stock market open, right? So maybe 10:25. You already hit you enter your order buy or sell either one that you think that you will go. Okay, either buy or sell. Then you make sure you have stop loss. Okay, at the parabolic. No TP. No TP. You want to put TP also can, no problem. Okay, so if you lose 50 pip. If you win 300 pip. How about that? Yeah, trading stop is good. Must. Trading stop must. Okay, trading stop must. So for gold, right? For bank opening hours and news your trading stop might work, your trading stop might not work, disclaimer, because the market moves too fast, right? So trading stop, you can put 100 pip. 100 pip trading stop. 100 pip.
如果手术出现任何问题，一切赔偿由苏师姐。
Let me delete some things there. You all see so many things already on my screen. Okay? Yeah. So let me delete some lines that's unused. Okay? This one tak jadi just now. Tak jadi. Never. So actually it went down. It went down further. Yeah. Okay? Can do this? Yeah. Good idea? Slippage means it's slip. Slip. That means your stop loss supposed to be here, right? But it doesn't hit your stop loss here. You say that, hey, how come I set my stop loss only 50 pips, $75, but how come it closed minus $10? Alamak, the broker eat me. Okay, don't blame the broker. Do not blame the broker. Do not blame me also. Do not blame the tool set also. I'm telling you, you cannot blame anyone because slippage nobody can control. Slippage. It means the price slip. The price slip by 10, 20, 30, sometimes even 100 pips. So slippage can happen. Okay? Yeah. Because it go through too fast. That's why slippage happen. Too fast within less than a second. So slippage can happen. Okay? So right now, yeah, if you do this, stop loss and your take profit, right? No, don't have. You can get 300 pips, like how just now I get my 100 pips. How? Nice? If you do on your prop account, right, for this technique, right, you might be a little bit gambling. You might be a little bit gambling because you are not trained or you don't have experience in trading news or trading bank opening hours. Yeah. Okay. Unless your trading account, you have $200. 200, then you want micro lot, then you can play the game. No issue. If $50 account, how to play? Right? If slippage happen 100 pips, you lost $10. If you still okay, lost $10, then no problem. You lost $10, you lost $5, $5 to $10, but you win double. Yeah. How? Can anyone see the light or not? Anyone see some flashlight in front of the tunnel? Yeah. Okay, this is up to you. Up to your own discretion. To you. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Many of you experience it, Mr. DatoZakey. Okay. Mr. K also experienced this very. You experience this much already. Some of them do not want to touch at all the news and the bank opening hours. Yeah. Okay. Because of their past experience, very painful. Yeah. Painful, very painful experience. Right? But nevertheless, if you want to experience your journey, right, in trading, you can do it on your demo account. Is that okay? Demo account. You can do on your demo account. Try first demo account. Right? Yeah. I mean, don't waste your time. Don't let the knowledge just pass by you. At least you get the knowledge and try it out in your demo account. Okay? Yeah. Even without the tool set on your demo account, you can still buy or sell. Right? Open the demo account. Whatever you see on your tool set, right? The direction. Then you enter the order in your demo account. Then you put the proper stop loss and your TP. Okay? Yeah. Okay? Can? Nice, Right. So how am I going to jump to H4? Let me see what I can do. Jump to H4. I open a new chart, guys. Can allow me to do that. Then I do a TRP line from term. Okay. Then I do a FTT. Can FTT. Then I do a magic number. I'm using a magic number. Turn on a magic number. H4. Yeah, there you go. Okay, new chart. So new chart ready. So where is the price moving? Is the price moving this way? Yeah. Okay, this is the range for H4. Okay, so you can use the body, not the shadow. You can use the body. Yeah, you can use the body. Is that okay? Also a refresher for CACP. Right? I won't explain, but I want you to see. Right? You should be knowing already how to do for all the CACP. Yeah. Okay, nice. Wow, super nice. Okay, the TRP doesn't tell much in H4. Doesn't tell much. So it doesn't tell much, you can turn off. Okay, turn off. There you go. So this will be a H4. H4 SNR. Okay, SNR. Turn on your price. Turn on your time. That's it. Ready. Yeah. So how many pips more? Probably going down back to the low. Probably only. At least minimum 200 pips. 200 pips. But it can go down up to 400 to 500 pips. Yeah. Okay. So there's a previous low also. There's a previous low. Okay, I put a dotted line, better. Done. Okay, so that's where the price is going, guys. H4. Yeah, this is H4. Nice. Okay, H4. So you can view for chart analysis, can zoom in, right? Or else, this will be the right, this one wrong way of doing. This is the right way. Yeah. Right way. Like that. This way is the correct way of viewing the chart. Right? Then if you understand already, right, then you can zoom in some more according to your view. Yeah. Right? Of course, you got few high and lows. Right? You can identify few high and lows. Right? Yeah. Because you're waiting for the price to go up back to the same previous high, right? Yeah, or previous low. Yeah. So this will be your chart analysis. Will that be okay? Can? So price is going down towards the yellow dotted line. Yeah. Right? So that's where, if you are here, your chart analysis here, you can't see. If you go to H4, how to see that, guys? How to see? Huh? Can see like that. What is this? What is this? Okay? Yeah. Because this chart was supposed to be for M1, right? M1. So you need to to have another chart, right? So that you can see better, right? Yeah. Okay, yeah. So this one's supposed to be M1 ma. So don't anyhow go and change to H4. Later you can't see all your label ma. So this is M1 ma. Right? M1 of course is nice all the texts are properly placed or positioned, right? Yeah. Okay. So this is H4. Okay. This is M1. So you do need multiple charts right, for plotting, charting, trading, right? Yeah, for chart analysis. Yeah, sometimes it is the same M1 or same H4, but one for trading, one for chart plotting. Either you get a big TV set, 50-inch or 40-inch, right? 40-inch also can. 50-inch better. Now 50-inch cheaper, right? 55-inch, right? Wow, powerful. Yeah. Okay, I got a few sets of 55-inch. Yeah. It's okay, right? It'll be nice. Surround yourself with the monitors or the TV sets. Surround yourself, okay? Surround it. Probably in a semicircle environment. Yeah. It can be a mixture of 40-inch, 50-inch or 30-inch TV or monitors. Can be a mixture of that. Right? It'll be nice to invest. Right? If you want to get a big one, right? 75-inch, right? Or larger or bigger, can, but you have to sit further away. Further away. You have to sit further away, not too close to the screen. You can even use a projector. Right? Yeah. Make sure your lumens is higher. Because you don't want to be in the dark. Projector usually you use in the dark because of low lumens. So if higher lumens, right, probably 4,000 lumens, yeah, enough in the daylight. In the daylight also you can see higher than 4,000 lumens. Yeah, the brightness is higher. Yeah, projector also good. Yeah, but projector you must use a short throw projector. Short throw. That means close to the wall. Don't use the one that further away to the wall. Later you can see your own shadow. Yeah, no point seeing your own head there. Okay, all your equipments doesn't make sense. So you use a short throw, right? It's about few centimeters away from the wall. Right, you can put the projector right on the floor, then it can bounce on the entire wall, on your entire wall. That would be nice. Yeah, I have it in the office. Few sets of short throw, and previously all my officers use all short throw. So short throw projector you can use either from the bottom, from the floor or from the ceiling. Either one. You can place it right at the top of the ceiling, right, or else right from the floor. Yeah. Okay. So yeah, not too big the TV. If you want TV bigger, then further away further away. Further away from the wall, from the TV screen. Okay. Time check 10:53. You see the price went down. After that 10:50 or so, 10. Yeah. Can measure we measure together Okay. Price change direction 10:42. 12 minutes after the stock market open. 12 minutes only. 12 minutes it went down by 300 over pips. Okay, 300 over pips. To be exact, it went down 380 pips. 380. So right now it's here, right? Yeah, 10:54. Yeah, 10:54. Okay. So you only can trade after 11. After 11, then the right momentum will be there for you to take your setup. Take your setup. Okay. That means from now, right? From the stock market open from 10 o'clock until 11, anything can happen to the market. Anything can happen. Usually I will close my trade for me. Yeah. Using this technique, right? using this technique of news trading, right? News trading or bank opening hours trading style. I will usually close my order within few minutes. Few minutes. Yeah. Sometimes 2-3 minutes already close already. Sometimes few seconds close already. I won't stay for long. No. Okay? Yeah. And after 11, right? After 11, while you are trading after 11, right? Usually I will close my trade within, most of the time, within 15 minutes. That means 11:15 I close already. No more already. Yeah. I mean, that's my experience. Okay? Yeah. Nice. Oh, 75 inch now less than 1,000 only. Wow. Oh, so cheap. Yeah. You just imagine 75 inch TV set less than 1,000. Short throw projector will cost you about 3,000 over. Yeah. 2,000 over you can still get, but good ones probably $3,000. You can get a good short throw projector. But it easy to keep. You can keep anywhere and you can punch it on your wall, any of your wall. You even can punch it, while you are lying on your bed, right? On your ceiling also you can see chart. Yeah. Right? Yeah. Toilet also can see, toilet wall also can see. Put it on top, right? And after that, one of your wall you can use it. So if touch water also never mind, right? Because it's not a screen, right? It's a projection screen. Yeah. The 11:15 you mentioned just now, is it with or without daylight saving? It's with. Everything I say now is with daylight saving, okay? With. I wouldn't say the past really. I would say the future or current, okay? Xiaomi brand cheap, good, okay lah. As long as it's cheap and good and got warranty, I think it's okay lah, right? Important is the warranty, okay? Buy the warranty or extended warranty, that will be good. Damage, one-to-one exchange or whatsoever. If you do not have, then get a place that provides a warranty. Okay? Yeah, there are so many, right? Harvey Norman, right? Best Denki, right? Yeah, all those retail store that can provide. So that's the difference between buying sometimes from the direct retailer, brands, shop from the warehouse, or you buy from another retailer. So another retail store, they bring the same brand, but sometimes it's a bit different because of warranty and services. Yeah. And then they say that you have to send back to our, you buy direct from the brand, right? Direct, you must send to our warehouse or service center. But if you buy from another retail store, they say that no, we will come and take from you. So that's why when you pay for the warranty, you pay for extra services. Okay? Yeah. Some even, like when you buy some devices, right? Coffee spill, damage. Sometimes your kids can damage your iPad, right? Even if the kid damage it by knocking, ban, also one-to-one exchange. Yeah. I bought that also. Okay? Yeah. Okay? So good, good. Right? So as long got warranty, no problem, can exchange, right? Yeah. Ask the retail store, if it's damaged by maybe when you throw a cup at the TV, right? The TV crack, can you change? Then if they say, yeah, can still change. If there's such warranty, then good. Then when come to nearly 1 year or 3 years, come to the end of warranty, you take something, you throw at the TV, then we change one-to-one. Is it okay? Just a joke. Okay? But it can be applicable. Okay? Okay, any more question? Okay, I hope we are doing good, guys. We are doing good. Okay, let's see what I have for you. Let me see. Right? Okay. Okay. Yeah, I do have I do have two more, but I'm not too sure whether can I do these two. Let's try lah. Let's do these two. Okay. Yeah. Okay. First one, right? Some changes on the TV report. Okay, there's a sound button here. Sound button. You click one time, it will be muted. Muted by default, it will be muted. Red color. But if you click the second time, this is the new feature that I added in for you. You click the second time, you hear a sound. You hear a sound. Okay, what is this sound for? This sound will be sounded if there is a new order placed or close order. Open and close order on this account. Open and close order. It's not a DD, okay? It's not a DD, okay? Yeah. The sound like DD, right? You can change the sound, you can change it. Okay. So the default sound is, what is the default sound? Let me see. What is the default sound? Okay. What's the default sound? This is the default sound, okay? Yeah, that one was not the default sound. That one I changed one. Okay. This was the default sound. Okay. So you can change this sound to any sound that you want. Where is it? Somewhere here. Use speaker icon for testing sound. Yeah, this is testing sound. Right? There are a few tests. Maybe I can add in here later for you. Right? So you can use like okay. There are some things that built in MT4. Like okay. Try. Okay. Got okay, got wait, got disconnect, got connect. Okay, now put okay. So the wave file called okay. So it's a wave file. There. There. Different sound, right? Yeah. Later I'll put in for you the sound. The sound that you can enter. Or sometimes I can put wait. Available sound already. The wave file. Okay, wait. Let's see what does the wait sound. The wait is like the DD sound already. Right. Yeah. Then what sound? Alert. Got alert and alert 2. Okay. There. Right. Then if alert 2, just add in number 2, right? Yeah. They got connect and disconnect also, right? There. See? Yeah. So I built in this feature, you know why? Right? Because I got too many MT4, right? So I want to detect certain traders. I have an alert on the mobile phone. Okay, here. If I click here, it will be alerted on my mobile phone there. Now my mobile phone already appear. Mobile notification for this particular ID. Okay, already done. Sent to my screen. But sometimes also mobile phone also I busy, I can't see. So sometimes I'm working on my screen and I have too many MT4. I would like to monitor certain account or certain trader. So I on this thing with a different sound. So if I hear, then I can know that, oh, the trader already entered the order. So that's the purpose that I use this. So you can use it for the same purpose also. Just in case someone else entered the order for you. Then at least sounded on your screen, who entered for me? Who exit for me? Yeah. Okay. So that's the new changes for the toolset itself. Right. The other one that is very powerful, okay, is the SO. SO here. Stop out. Stop out. Stop out. Okay. So let's go through this stop out. Would that be fun? Let's go through now. Can? Yeah. Should I use this screen? Or use other screen?
但係嗰陣時佢至少40
Okay, never mind.
分
I use this screen. Okay, we do it on M1.
然之後我哋
So M1 you can't see the line. If H4, you can see the yellow line. If M1, cannot see it because it's too huge, right? Far away, right? Okay, let's do the SO test right now. Because this SO is very complicated, right? And advanced. Two-way advanced. Way too advanced, guys. Way too advanced.
You know this
Okay, no one has it in the world. No one has it.
You know
Is that okay? No one has it.
點解你同我經驗啊？
Okay.
DatoZakey
1160.
佢嘅
Surya 介紹俾我。
Okay, let me see what I can do for you. Yeah.
幾時？
Okay. No one has it.
佢喺 WhatsApp 見到我啫，我 WhatsApp video。
Okay. So take a look. I did a test. A lot of tests actually.
你同佢講
Okay. So what does SO do?
你同佢講
Let's say I put my custom funding is $50.
佢有份經就係
The
講
SO only works for custom funding. Only custom funding.
有個
They're good for demo account.
我同佢
Number
講我
one,
send
good for
咗
demo
個
account. Number two is good for live account
trading 嘅 track record 俾佢。
still,
你關佢乜事？
but with lots of money inside. Then you want to portion out your money. So the second part is
我 promote
way too advanced to explain to you.
幫佢 trade
I'm not too sure whether I'm able to explain or not the
嘛。
second part. But I will explain the first part first.
歪咗。
Okay?
佢
So for demo account trading, right? Yeah.
但係嗰度唔係寫住 Y。
Okay. I have a $50 custom. I
但係
already
我就
made
好似睇到 Y。
$50 custom. So now I change to 0.05 lot.
我改我
Take a look at what happened.
入去好似睇到
When I change to 0.05, do you see these two lines?
你 master account 好似睇到 Y 個名嘅喎。
These two lines appear. The red line appear. Just now it didn't appear. See, one micro lot. The red line gone.
喺我間好似
No, don't have.
邊度見到？
That is the drawdown line, the SO line. Okay?
佢出唔出名？
So it's still far away, far away. So 0.02. There, can see here. This is the red line. Here, right? Then 0.03, where is my drawdown? Here. And 0.04, where is my drawdown? Nearer. And if I 0.05, where is my drawdown? Here. And if I over leverage, 0.06, nearer, 0.07, can wipe out your account even faster, 0.08, even much faster. If you got 0.09,
出現啦
you。put layer, 1 micro, 9 trades, wow, easily wipe out. Put 0.1, wow, even faster, your account wipe out. Okay? So this is already done long time. Okay, this is the drawdown line, okay? But what is a SO? SO is a stop out. The broker will force close your order once it reach a stop out
有我唔
percentage.
會查章嘅時候咪
Okay? So in your demo account, you can simulate,
我知啊，
using the toolset, you can simulate the actual SO so that as if you are in your live account. So what to do? Turn on your SO. Turn on. So when you turn on, what do you see? The line become darker. If I turn off, see, use stop out, no. See the line, become dotted line. But if I click on the SO, now become highlighted, become darker. So this will be the SO, and the SO is already active. Once it reach the SO, it will auto close your trade as if the broker closed for you. It will be the same thing so that you can practice, right? On your demo account many times as if you are in your live account. Same, exactly the same, no difference. Okay? Yeah. So let's do a test. Let's do a test, right? So I enter a, right?
我喺嗰度掉嘢，你就喺度掉嘢。嚇？
0.1. Okay, can 0.1. I try this first. 0.1. Okay, 0.1. So if I hit here, there will be SO. So now I click
阿樂 star。
buy. Okay, I click buy. Either one. Hopefully it hit SO. Okay, buy. I already click. Hey, you all don't click buy. This one I want to test SO. No. You click buy dangerous. No. Okay, don't. Okay. Yeah. Okay. I want you to click SO. You all don't be funny. Yeah. But those who knows me very well can click buy. But those who don't know me, better don't click buy. Later bye. Okay. Yeah. Okay. It seems that right, it's very slow. Very slow. How to hit SO like that? How to hit SO? SO. Right. Can hit me? SO. Hopefully you go down and hit the SO. Yeah, good. Yeah. Now going down already. Almost hitting. Okay, almost. You see what happened?
我買 backpack 先啊，你用翻你個 backpack 先啊。
今日先爆咗嗰隻，食咗。
要爆嘅？
唔嚼得住咯，太好用啦。
你講你買嗰隻唔見咗
？This is pretty. Sometimes can click, sometimes cannot click. I don't know whether you all encounter this or not.
買咗。
好彩我冇聽我大佬講呢個炒錢。
做咩？唔想咩？
I cannot click. Hey, almost hitting the SO just now. Almost.
咁犀利，我 cut 水就咁樣。即係睇下邊隻我跌嘅先，我整係 cut 水。
咁我早啲尋日今朝早400號嗌你 cut 啦。
Almost hitting
你又冇話講你要 cut， 你要 cut 我。
我都冇諗到要 cut， 我冇諗到佢會跌到有。
going to reach. Okay, good.
你仲有加錢喺邊
close ready, guys. Kapow! Okay.
你仲有 top up 喺邊
See, only a good trader can make profit and can make loss. I tell you, only a good trader can do that. Okay?
呢個會翻嚟。
Can make both. You want profit also can, you want loss also can. Okay?
呢個做咩有頭都出嘅
Right? Okay, luckily I tell you all don't go and click, If you go and click, you all lost, Okay? You all don't play with me, Okay? So now you see, $50. Now I lost. Right? SO hit 80%, right? SO hit 80%. Yeah, 80%. Right? See whether I can. Because this equity I cannot turn on. Never mind, I do a different way. I must make it turn on. Right? So that you can learn more. Okay, let me redo. Redo.
我想睇到 US 成我驚，我就接白翻嚟嘅。
11. Is it 1160 just now? Okay. Then $50 $50 account. Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
我揸車嘅咁。
Now can. This guy don't want to turn on. I don't know why. Now then turn on for me. Okay. Okay. So now what do you see? Yeah. Okay. So now you see, guys, what happened? So this, my account here have more than $50, obviously. So you have to use, okay, while you are using your demo account or even your live account, which have more money, but you want to simulate a training exercise for you. The broker cannot close for you at 80% because you have more money. So I already developed for you, right? An SO here, SO. There's an SO. So once I turn on the SO, this one will simulate the SO and the red color there. Red color. See? Red color. There's an SO there. Right? So I managed to simulate $50, cut loss at 80%, which now left only $8.50. Okay? $8.50. So now you already done that. Then how to continue the next one? You already hit. So what you need to do, you need to go to your, you need to do some filtration, filtration. Okay. Go to your TVA report, drag and drop onto your TV, onto your screen, and click OK. Okay. Then I want you to filter off. Filter off the first one here. Okay, filter off. Whichever that you like, you filter off. Okay. And then you change your TVA report also to custom funding $50. 50, $50. Okay. So now you check the balance. Okay. If the balance show you private, right? Balance custom, you click here, the PNC here. PNC. Then it can show you the actual balance. Okay. Because I want you to train you to do many times, this thing, many times. Okay. Okay, for those who do not have, you already have a live account. Okay, you already have a live account, but you want, you already have you already bought, you already participant of prop trading, and you only have one tool set. You don't have the second one. Okay, and you want to practice on your demo account. You can practice. You don't have a tool set. You can purchase a tool set. That means you can use it forever if you want. Or else, I will charge you. I can charge you a small rental fee. Will that be okay? Small rental fee. Is it okay? Yeah, because that demo account, you're not supposed to have two. If you want to have two, you have to purchase. You have to purchase. Right? A small rental fee. If you really want another account for demo for you to keep on exercising, right? And keep on practicing, I have to charge you a small rental fee for demo account, not for live. Not rental account, not rental fee for live account. Cannot. Live account you have to purchase. Okay. But for demo account, you must already have a license already. Then you can do a second one for rental fee for the purpose of training. For the purpose of exercising. Okay. Yeah. How much is it? Probably $100, $100 a month. You can practice for 1 month. Is that okay? Because my admin have to do the programming for you and to maintain the tool set for you. Have to maintain. Right? Yeah. Probably cheap $100 a month. You can practice for 30 days. If you want some more second month, you can use it. So your live account, you got one tool set. Then your demo account, you have another tool set for a rental fee. Would that be okay? Right? Or else, a lot of people also want. I can't do all. Is that okay? Yeah. Okay? Is it okay? Small fee $100 for 30 days. So 30 days, $100, how much per day? Guys, you have to be fair with me. Right? What's the exchange rate right now? Is it 120 or what? Okay, let's say worst case scenario, 130 Singapore dollar, right? Okay, you divide by 30 days. Okay, 1 day, $4 only. $4.30 1 day. Can. 1 day, $4. If you order food, Grab food, it could be more. No? Sometimes you have to pay $5, $8 per delivery. Per delivery. This one 1 day at $4 only, guys. Cheap. Okay, 1 month $100. I can give you a second, but not for live account, only for demo for the purpose of training. Training only, yeah. Then I will set a date down there. Expire automatically within a certain date. It will automatically expire, believe me. Okay, yeah. Okay, yeah, I mean, right, Mr. HM is saying that better than paying trade signal on Telegram, yeah, which don't work, yeah. At least your tool set have Dragon, right? Yeah, have Dragon, have Wonder Dot, have White Rabbit. You can use everything, you can use for training, all kinds of training purposes, right? Or you can use it for punchback. You fed up, right? In your live trade, you already lose 3 times, you don't want to continue. Where's your punchback? Go to the demo account, go and punch back. Okay? Punch. Until the account wipe out many times. Yeah. Right? Yeah, you can do it many times. Right? Can you do this on your mobile? Mobile. You can on your mobile, but you need a VPS. Yeah, you can run this entire toolset on a VPS, right? I can give you the link. $6 a month, $6 a month only. Then you can put everything on 24 hours round the clock to run this. Okay? Can? Right. Okay, provided you must have the first one. If you don't have the first one, you request for rental, no way I do it. Okay? I won't entertain. Right? Not fair. That means someone is trying to manipulate, okay? Manipulate licenses, okay, don't, right? Okay, back here. So now what do you see, guys? You see that the custom funding already left $8.50, then how to continue? How to continue your $50 simulation? You can't continue. You have to wait for tomorrow, the next day, then it'll be resetted to $50. But how about you want to reset now, today? You want to reset now? Okay, very simple. Install your toolset here, the TVA report onto your chart, must be onto the chart itself. And then you see this order, right? Loss order, the loss order, right? Okay, click on item, click on this date, the item date, the date here, it will change to item. Then you see a lot of item. Okay, now you see item number one, item number one. Okay, this one you don't want. You don't want this because you want to practice another $50. So I want you to click here. Click on the 1.1 here. Once you click, you see, you observe, this $8.50 custom balance will change back to $50. Take a look. Nice or not? Reset back to $50. Nice, Okay, superb. The tool set is superb. The TRP, the FTT, right, and the trade expert all can work at the same time on the same chart. It is integrated. Okay, integrated. The date and time all integrated. Very, very powerful. Even the magic number is integrated. Okay, magic number. Auto integrate. No need to worry. So now I can click buy again. Take a look. I buy again. Alamak, I click one. I should click sell, guys. I misclick. Alamak, how like that? Go up. Buy will be more profit, ma. I want loss. Okay. Hopefully it go down. Can it go down? Seems like going up. I do a wrong one. I should do a sell. Salah already. Okay. Let's pray to the higher power to make it the market reverse into a downtrend and hit my SO. Okay.
你知道咩係 sell stop 冇？
咩？唔係一個 put 一個 sell 個 line 咩？就入 sell 唔係咩？
Okay, what we are doing here, we are doing an exercise, how to simulate stop out order, so you can practice many times in a single day. You can practice SO many times. Okay, so these are advanced trading session. Advanced training and trading session. Advanced. See, I told you already. I wrong already. I should do a sell. This one I do a buy. What to do? Cut open to sell Yeah, can also open to sell Yeah. But if I open another 2 more orders, sell, the SO explanation will be a little bit different. Later you all confuse a little bit because the SO can work on multiple trades. Very intelligent actually. Okay. Okay, I close my order. Then I do a sell. Take a look. I close my order. Okay, not this one. Close here. Close. Hey, I close at profit. Okay. So now instead of going down, it go up, right? 50 become 19. Because I earn $19, right? So it becomes $69.30. Okay. Right now, no problem. Okay, now to practice the SO again. Okay, you can filter again, no problem. Filter here again. Click here, filter. Start back with 50. Don't care about the past already. So now I do a sell. Now sell already, guys. Okay? Yeah. How many pips to my drawdown? Right? Could be 50 pips only. Yeah.
可以係第一個禮拜啫嘛，你有幾耐？
Okay. Let's take a look at the SO. Everyone understand this topic today? For you to practice, this topic is for you to practice. Or else how to practice. So I'm teaching you how to practice. So that you don't have to wait for 1 year or 1 day, to go to practice, right? 1 day, the next day you have to wait for an SO. Or keep on doing live trading. You can practice demo, but as if it's live. Exactly the same. No difference, guys. No difference. So this is an intelligent training toolset included in your toolset. So the toolset includes a training platform. How powerful is that? The toolset includes a training platform. Wow. This is superb, guys. Okay. Probably if your rental fee only $130 Singapore dollar, right? A month, right? Can make you thousands of dollars later because you understand, right? Because enough practice, enough punch back, enough training session, then can bring you thousands of dollars, right? Correct. Yeah. Okay. I do sell while you go down. Oh, like that. Please go up a. Why red candle? Show me some blue lah. Show me some blue leh. Don't like that leh. What to do, guys? Oh, you say green dot appear. Alright. Green dot appear should go up, right? But you can retrace for a while, no problem. Okay. Go back already. Must blow. Blow. Hey, you notice or some people trade they blow. As if the candle can go up. Hey, I've seen people in my class, don't know why this group of people they blow the candle. They blow. Yeah. They blow. I don't know what they blow. I think it's their birthday. What? They blow. Go up. Yeah. Yeah, probably they read some mantra. Right? Yeah. Yeah, just a matter of time it will go up, definitely. We wait, we wait. We wait. We wait. We wait. Yeah. Must play the Afro beat sound, because usually the money song it will give profit, and the Afro beat will give a negative PNL. Must play the Afro beat. Oh, is it? Correct Mr. AF, you say that kadang-kadang tiup menjadi Okay, maybe your tiupan maybe your blow got power that's why can Yeah. Definitely Forex is a waiting game okay? Yeah. Okay, yes. I will pray. Definitely. I'll pray for you. Okay. If it goes so long, what to do? Okay. We will close this order. No problem. Okay, we will go for higher lot size. See profit. Yeah, profit again, $63. Okay, now filter again. Okay, now this time around, I don't want to 1, I do 0.2. Okay, I click sell because it's going up. Okay, now the SO become more closer. You see, I practice many times already. I reset my account many times already. You see, SO here, 50%. Take a look, bottom, 60, 50. Once it reach 80, your SO value, it will auto close for you. This way you can practice, guys. This way you can practice. Okay, here, take a look. Here, 7. Close already, guys. Close. You see, I close at 80%, right? Left only $11. That means 80% gone. Okay, I filter again. Start back again, reset again. Okay, I do a sell again. Okay. So meaning I'm trying to tell you, if you are training, right, during this SO training, right, in your trading account, and you want to simulate the correct live account by the broker, you can do this many times. See, I'm doing this many times. Because this is what happened in your live account, you must top up. But now you don't top up, you reset. How you reset? By using the TVA report, you can reset back to $50. So here got no report, here, nothing. Here no report. As if you are not trading yet. So all the old previous report being filtered already. Okay? Then you can train again. So of course you don't train with 1 mini, 1, 2 mini, you don't train with that. You train with your normal 1 micro, 2 micro. Okay? Yeah. So you're going to hit my SO again. Okay, now positive equity. Right? Only a negative equity, then you can actually minus 80% because your SO is minus. Yeah. Okay? Yeah. SO. So if you click on, nearly hit, close again. You see? Lost again 80%, left $6. So these are called slippage, slippage. You're supposed to close at $40, $10. That means $40 negative, but it doesn't close at minus 40. It closes at minus 43. So the slippage is $3.40. So that's called slippage. Because the price moves too fast, it can slip. Okay? It can slip. Then you can filter again. See? When you filter, you restart again. Is it nice? Okay, this feature I developed only for you guys. In the entire multiverse, don't have. Only for you. Okay? And this has been running, not now, has been running for months already. This SO, since the day that I developed the SO, which you know about a few months back, right? Has been running for months. The filter report has been running years already, the filter. So this is just a combination of, techniques or integration of all the toolset feature. Okay? Okay. Time check, 11:33. Power number, okay, 1133. Okay? Yeah. See? Whenever time check, it's always showing the power number. Okay. Before I end today, I would like to show you another feature of the SO. Okay? Another feature. This is powerful feature. Okay? Before that, I show you the second one first. The second one, take a look. 0.05. Okay? So I do a sell. Sell. 1 sell order. 2 sell order. See my SO, getting closer and closer. 3 sell order. Okay? 4 sell order. Now I have 4 orders, not 1 order. Just now 1 order only. So now I have 4 orders. Layered. 4 orders. 5 micro lot, 4 times. Okay? You see what happened to the SO? The SO will simulate what does the broker would do with multiple orders. Okay? Yeah. First rule, the SO will close the biggest loser first, the loser PNL. Okay? Because got 4 orders. Okay, all these 4 order, which one is has the most floating loss? That order will be closed first. Okay, different broker have different specs, but most broker will close the huge or the biggest or the largest losses in that account. Okay, take a look. Now I got 4 order. 4 order. S equal 4. Once it close, it reach the 80%. Once it reach the 80%, take a look. It will close one of the order first. And then, if it reach again 80%, it will close the second one. It reach again 80%, it will close the third one. It reach the 80%, then you got nothing left. Okay? So let's see. 3, 2. See or not? Guys, you see not? Fast, one by one close. So now, negative balance. This is what happened to the broker. You saw that at your account, sometimes you got negative balance. You saw that? Do you ever see negative balance in your broker account, in your life account? So this is what happened. Minus 11. Minus 11. Too fast. Okay? Minus 11. So when this negative balance happened, right, you contact the broker to reset for you. To reset for you. Hey, can you please reset? Because I don't want to owe you $11. Or else you will owe the broker $11.40. Right? You don't want to owe the broker. Then the broker will give you some advice, chit-chat with you. Please do not do this again. Please trade well, please trade better. They say, yeah, okay, thank you. Sorry, I won't do it again. Yeah. Then it will reset for you. 0. So you don't owe the broker anything. Okay? Right. So now, minus 11 already. How to do? You reset again. Start back with $50. See? Now I do it again. Sell. Sell again. The year. Sell. Okay. 4 orders also. 4 orders. Probably if you want to reach faster the SO, I do 5 orders. Then it will be faster. Within a short time, you will hit. Sell again. 6 order. Okay, 6 order. Now I have 6 order running already. Okay. So when it reach 80%, minus 80%, then it will close the order. This one is for a demo account. If for live account, you will lose real money, of course. Okay, yeah, right. For negative balance protection, right? Negative balance, right? If you got minus 11, if you top up 50, they will take the $11 from you because you owe, so-called owe a little bit of money. Okay, owe. Okay. Okay, soon it will reach minus 80%. Okay. Soon. Wow, done already. See? Right? So now negative balance minus $1. Minus $1. Okay? Do you understand this exercise? Okay? To simulate SO, to learn SO, and also to learn strategy, and always reset your account automatically for a demo account. Because your demo got 50,000, right? Yeah. Got 10,000, got 1,000. Then how to simulate the correct one? So this is the one that you do. Or you can do. Then you reset again. Okay? Reset again. So now I'm going to do another test, last one. Okay, last test. Okay, this test is a little bit different. There are other purpose for this test. Right? Today, I just upgraded for you today. Okay, here. Today. Right? Not this one. Here. Okay, right at the custom balance, because it is things to do with custom balance, right? Right at the custom balance, which I put $50, reset top up closer for new order. Every time there's a new order, auto reset. Put to true. Default is false, now you put to true. Okay? Okay, okay. Okay, take a look. What happened? I click 0.2. Okay? I do a sell. Okay, I did a sell already. So, for new orders, right, it will always auto reset. You don't have to reset yourself. It will reset automatically. Okay? Take a look. But this one doesn't work for multiple orders, because multiple orders always it will auto reset. Then how to exit like that, right? Works best for single order for this technique. Okay, yeah. And this auto reset means it also doesn't calculate your profit. So if you turn off by default, it will calculate your profit also. So the tool set will calculate your profit. You can profit $10, you can profit $20, you can double your account. Then you're happy to see your account $100. Right? Yeah. Then the SO still apply according to the $100. But if you use this strict mode, it's different. This for different purpose. Advanced. This is way advanced. Okay? There are used for this. That's why I developed this. Because I'm using it. Okay? I'm using this to convert $100 into $1,000. Yeah. I'm using this technique. I'm using this feature to convert $100 into $10,000. Yeah. There is a purpose for this. Probably in the CACP I will explain, but not on the Tuesday webinar. Okay? Tuesday webinar I won't explain because too advanced. CACP I will explain to you how to do this. Okay? How to use this feature so that you can convert $100 into $1,000, $2,000, $5,000 using exactly this SO feature, the strict mode feature. But this is very, very interesting. This is unattended, automated, yeah. You can make it automated, yeah. Okay, this is very fun. Okay, for CACP tomorrow, okay, 4:30, I will see you 4:30 in the afternoon. 4:30 p.m. Not in the evening, not 9. I will see you in the afternoon, 4:30. All the CACP. For those who are not in the CACP, please, you may register for the CACP. And I will see you, right, in the CACP itself. Okay. So let's take a look. This is a strict mode. Strict mode SO. What will happen? I already entered 2 mini lot. Okay, same with 5 micro lot times 4 just now. Hopefully it will reach, right, and hit the SO. And observe the balance. Okay, the balance should be auto reset. The balance should be auto reset. Back to $50 every time. Okay. There are multiple use for this. Multiple use. Yeah. Okay, going up, very good. In a few seconds more, it will hit my SO. Or as the test will fail. I want the test to be passed so that we can get on with our life and take a rest before 12 and enjoy our life, right?
我除咪死腳要錯翻落嚟，陣間我又係要入去沖涼嘅，你冇搞錯啊你！有咩問題我就咁樣咪得咯。
Today I did not turn on music.
Nobody stopping you.
It's okay, right?
咪攞上嚟咯，乾咗先攞翻落嚟咯。有咩問題？
Let's be a little bit serious.
咩除咪又要洗佢，又要走翻嚟錯？你有病啊你！你有病咯！
喂，原來除咪洗腳錯翻係一件好難嘅事。Time check 11:44. 咁我幫你除埋你洗腳得唔得 ？Power number 1144. Okay. 1144. 除埋洗腳都唔可以啊。Oh blow
咁嘅態度同我講話咩都唔
頭先我
得。
啱啱同你講你點樣對我嘅，你講我有
My
病，
blow not powerful leh. Right? Yeah.
我抹咁多輪你㗎啦。
乜嘢都唔得，唔使講咗啦。
我頭先我同你講嘅點樣對我
咁對我，咁
講什麼
樣對我，咁樣對我。
I thought the blowing is
我唔
always
知
for
你頭先
positive,
點樣
not
對
for
我，頭先都
negative.
唔係特別好啊，我上次。
Right? All of you, when you blow, right, the chart, right, it's for positive, right? Then when I blow, it become more
仔
positive
叫
lah.
我拖我時間，the more you drag me，the more I cannot
Then become more positive.
我做咗成日，
Salah already 嘛，should not blow 嘛。
就喺度整啊。
Yeah.
唔係
Default 嘛，default blowing is for positive 嘛。
一翻嚟就俾你 Q 上 Q 落 Q
係
左 Q 右。
我嘅地下濕濕，你嘅嘢踩
Okay,
埋
never
我
mind.
塵
You
咯，
close the
我地
order.
下濕濕
Then you see,
什麼
even if I close the order, what will happen to the $50? It won't added, you see, it won't be added.
Can you bring
Take a look,
your please?
You see what happened? I got profit, but it still show $50. Okay, now I buy. Okay, take a look. The SO is still counted every time for the new order.
唔好整我啦，你做咩啊？
吹
洗你抹你嘅地抹到乾晒，吹到乾晒，我先同你沖
我唔
涼。
會對腳爛啫，個濕。你
Okay.
咁咩冷雜啲？我咪係咁樣翻嚟，又唔係咁樣上嚟，又唔係咁樣踩。
Yeah, multiple
要佢
pending
乾
order.
淨幾耐？一日啊？
一日
While you are
你
asleep,
睇你個文
你睇我冇呢個就係你嘅病咯。
you tactfully
咁呢個係你個病喺同我鬥，咁樣嘅衰分係你做監正你
automatically
doesn't make sense。
it protects your money by putting the
唔
SO.
係嗰個態度係
SO is the stop loss 嘛。
係嘅。
At the same time, you can make lots of money. Lots of money.
你
Okay?
講你唔會咁樣對我㗎，邊個 put priority？
Okay, so we're going to hit, see, 3,
not tolerate
Two.
mistreatment。
1,
而家你 restrict 我定我 restrict？
kapow!
咁樣嚟叫我都假嘅唔信唔信，佢接受真唔真嘅嘢。
Okay, give me a hit.
I can
我
feel。
1分鐘嘅
Hit already. Take a look. What happened? Take a look what happened. Still $50 嘛。
我唔理睇下你個律
Okay.
你而家帶下你個
So I can still do a
係白色嘅，睇到全部程度。你個人睇面嚟睇幾
or I do
多
a
層？
pending order lah. I do a pending order. Okay, because it's auto ah. Yeah, CACP I will show you ah. Okay, I will. Yeah, I'll do my best to explain to you. Okay. Yeah. So this is strict mode strict mode or force mode I call it the strict mode or force mode. Stop out so that you can leave your trade unattended and still protect your entire money. Maybe you have $1,000 in your life account, right? $1,000, and then you want to portion out certain funds for automated trading. Okay, example like could be the robot, because the robot also have a single order. It could be your pending order that you want to semi-automated, because single order, right? And you can place, multiple pending order,
下
and
次後一嘅你幫我自己做晒，我個凍温啊，what the
the
hell？
funds that you want.
我幫你做
Only
嘅
use, strictly only
買
use
咗
the
而家
funds
我做晒
that
先同我講要買，你去做啊！而家係你
you
即
put
刻
aside
做啊！
or you portion out.
做
Very
緊
good.
做
Okay?
緊，啲
So
嘢我
this
整好
is
咗，你唔
way
出聲。
advanced
所
how
以你
to
嗌我做又
use
得，我幫你做嘢就冇怨言嘅。
to protect your money.
你嗌我乜嘢？你嗌我咩？我自己做嘅，係你嗌我嘅咩？做到和諧，我老豆去幫你整，幫你慳咗咁多
percentage
錢
in
做
many
咁樣
ways.
嘅態度。
Okay? You can don't put exactly 50.
你要辦下邊個可以幫你做嗰
Okay?
個 Windows 365？
You can put maybe $60. Then the stop out will be always at $50 ma. Exactly 50 ma. You will lose only 50. Right? So if you want to lose, let's say example, $100 only, then you don't put $100 because the stop out will be $80. Then you can choose 120, something like that. Then you will always protect. You always protect
Hey bro.
the rest of your money lah. Right?
The
Yeah.
video is done.
Okay, Ken?
And
Dato',
now
for tonight's session,
on your
very
side, right?
informative. Thank you. Nevertheless, I am a little confused. Focusing myself to understand it. Okay, no problem. Okay, this is a way advanced, way too advanced topic. But the first two sessions was a very good one, right? For the SO. because that
where do you want to blast to,
can make
bro?
you a better trader. The third one that I explained just now, this one, the current one that I'm doing, this is way too advanced. Do you hear the sound just now? I didn't enter any order, but how come there's a sound?
There are a few
You
markets.
see, the
one
problem
of the
when you use
trader
Malaysia,
that I need to monitor,
and
I already
we don't know
turned
yet
on
how
the
the
sound.
government is going to move right now.
Yeah.
It's better if
Okay.
we target
Yeah.
abroad for now.
Or one of the account, right? Yeah. Okay. Can? Nice.
Then why not just do Indonesia? But if do Indonesia, then they cannot understand English.
So let me see. What else do
What
I
English
miss?
so much? No,
before I
Singapore.
end,
We can target Singapore. We can target.
Wow.
Actually, we can target what?
Let me see.
We can actually target
Picture. Okay.
Vietnam, Thailand, Philippines, especially Philippines now, obviously.
Okay. Yeah, I think
Right?
that should be
And
good for
Middle
today.
East.
It's good for today.
The Middle East and
So
where
do you learn
else?
something today, guys? What do you learn? So many things.
India, Middle East, where else?
Right?
Basically,
I
the
thought
richer
dragging on
people, the richer
higher time
crowd.
frame, then lower time frame. Yeah. I won't do the superimpose now. Yeah. Probably no promises, right? Because now you can solve that problem by putting multiple charts. So you can see dragon on 3 different charts. So I won't do on the same chart yet. Even if I do, it could be a little bit confusing because seeing 3 dragons would confuse others. Yeah. Right? Let's say I allow you to see M5 dragon, then M15 dragon, then M30 dragon on the same chart. No, wow,
I'm just very
it'll be a
iffy
bit
about
confusing
Malaysians right now.
to represent it. So it's not easy to represent. Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
Philippines, Vietnam,
Right.
Thailand.
Okay. Can. Yeah. Today we have,
All these countries have
quite a number of
people
topic,
who are-
important topic, right? So yeah, sorry I finished late, right?
Hey bro,
Right.
can I call you back in a couple of minutes? I'm finishing
that,
up the,
you know,
the webinar here.
Yeah.
Right now.
Just
a few
my
more
shoulder,
minutes. Okay. Bye.
right? I'm still stretching out, right? But essential topic, no choice. I have to finish late. Okay, I sacrifice for, right? For all of you. Is that okay? Can? Boleh Can you don't mind I finish late today right? But I won't go after above 12 I tried to finish just now at 10 but cannot Later how the rest of the topic, I need to see you another 1 more week Yeah. Boleh Can Sorry Yeah. Understand the topics are quite heavy but sometimes it's essential. But after that, I put in the video snippets, then it will be streamed down to 30 minutes lesson. Some are 10 minutes lesson, small short clips video, right? So yeah, it will definitely benefit everyone when it comes to the video snippets. Is that okay? Boleh Thank you
Have you ever thought
Right.
that I didn't even need to do all this? No, what trade?
Okay.
I just did.
So the price doesn't want to cheat my SO for this, but I believe you understand. But anyway, this last trade, right, was representing the force mode of stop out feature, right? Yeah. So CACP, I will see you tomorrow. CACP, all right. And for those who haven't joined CACP yet, you still can join at the 50% discount, right? You can make payment immediately at $1,000, 1,000 Sing, 1,000 Sing dollar. I will see you at the CACP. Okay? Yeah. And you can see me for 8 times, 8 session, 8 session, right? Or else I will give you 8 videos for you to watch. Yeah. Okay? It's the same. It will be the same. Either I give you 8 videos to watch, or right? Yeah. Or while I'm having it online, live, you also can get the benefit from the live session. It seems like you're going to hit, Okay, hit already, guys. Okay, you see? The balance still $50. And the SO respect your next order to be a reset order.
Hello?
To be a reset
Can you hear
order.
me?
Although it's positive or negative, it will honor your decision making and your wants
Okay, go ahead.
that you want to treat the next order as a new order, as if you have a new account.
Okay, never mind. Don't worry.
So
We'll
this
talk
is a
tomorrow.
very
Okay.
good practice session for the SO to work for you. Okay? Yeah. Right. Can? Okay, time check. Wow. Again, I check only just now 1133,
No,
then
the bigger the
1144,
sum,
then now
the higher
1155.
commissions.
Okay?
The bigger the sum, the higher the rebates.
Yeah, after that,
It's not
0000
any sum.
means exactly at 12. Okay? Yeah. So I should be ending my webinar very
Yeah,
soon.
that's why we can
right?
target like
Yeah.
places like Dubai,
CACP, I see you
Arab
tomorrow.
Emirates,
The rest of you, I see you next week, right? Okay. Right. Yeah. And 30, H1, H4. Yeah. H4 still hovering, Still hovering. Yeah. Okay. Can, right? I hope you learned something. I get to learn something today. Yeah, very important. Yeah.
Because I thought
Okay.
you can actually.
Anyone of you think that this
target
SO,
it
you're going to use this
in a
SO?
nice way.
Anyone? You're going to benefit
not
from it,
using
benefit from it, right?
Is it possible?
Yeah. You should, everyone should benefit from this stop out order feature. Yeah. Right?
Just a voice showing.
I believe if you want to
investments,
speed up your
voice is
success,
okay.
right? I believe want to speed up, you should be using
No face
the SO feature
And we can
very
show
much.
the app actually.
Yeah. In your demo account. Right? Your live account that will be advanced, that will be in the CACP. Then they will do it in the live
It's a
account.
voice over lah. As long as it
But
doesn't show
for all of
face.
you who want to speed up your success, then you should be doing on your demo account for the SO. Or else, how would you reset every time? Right? Yeah. You cannot simulate the actual. Right? Yeah. Boleh? See? Boleh Boleh? See? 4 hours, from 8 to 12, I sit down there, sit here, without moving so much. Definitely, got shoulder pain, got neck pain.
I can't remember.
Everything also pain. Yeah. After this, must relax already. Makan time. Okay? Yeah.
Not only Dubai, the entire
stop out is amazing for everyone.
Saudi Arabia.
Yeah. And yet no one has it out there. It's an added selling point. Definitely. Definitely, every feature is an added selling point, including the trend line closer, which is TXTP and so forth.
I'm not sure.
The bucket closer also very powerful. Every of these pieces of feature is a selling point. Okay, even the funded trading account itself is a very strong funding point, which people don't understand. That was my first topic earlier just now. Right? So guys, thank you very much for your time. I be seeing you for some of you tomorrow and the rest of you next week. Same time, same channel, 8 p.m. Take care. Good night. Bye-bye.
New L'Oreal Paris Hyaluron Pure with salicylic and hyaluronic acid for 72-hour fresh scalp and hydrated lengths.
Get $8 off groceries and shops with code LOBOM. Enjoy deals from Panda Mart, Cold Storage,
never mind, let's target Dubai first lah. And honestly, just one country for the downside. Just Dubai alone, inside your high level downside cost. I cannot remember if you sent it earlier or what. No, the Callisto has been there for a long while. He's the face mask guy. Yeah, I'm sure he's an IPA. Do you want to use Telegram or what? Let's do the rest. I don't know whether we want to farm a group or not. That's good, just announcement of a new one. That's good.
Listen, you pay monthly fees for a streaming app, and a music app, and a fitness app, and...
When you say something that is hurtful to you, right? Did you take up what is hurtful about it yet? Because if you are vulnerable and exposed to getting hurt, right? You might want to look into that a little bit lah, to find out what is the trigger, what is the insecurity, why words can actually hurt you. So let me try to fast forward in the future, let's say half a month from now, okay? Something happened and then she says the same thing, right? How would you feel?